CPI data live here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We will have it live, we'll discuss it live, we'll trade it live, we'll invest it live. This is my live position on the screen. We are ready for one of the biggest days we've ever had here on the show. Will we have a Santa rally? We have Fed Jerome Powell speaking tomorrow live on the show. We'll cover it live. That'll be the reaction to what happens today. If we get 7.2 and below, the markets will rally. If we get 7 or below, 6.9, the markets will explode 15 to 20%. That's my portfolio. That's how my portfolio will react to it. If we get above 7.5, 7.6, or even worse, match 7.7, the markets will crash 10%. No one knows. The world is watching. The world is waiting. All the markets around the world are preparing for this news. CPI data out very shortly, live. Smash the like button. Get involved. Here we go. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everybody. We're just moments to go before the CPI report in just a few minutes' time. We'll be bringing it to you live. We'll be with you live. We will have the live reaction. As you can see, my portfolio is up 2%. If we get 7.2 and below, my portfolio will hit $50,000 today. And so let's see. I'm going to put a poll in the chat right now, and let's see. Will I? Here's the question I'm going to ask you now. Will I hit $50,000 today? And essentially, we'll get that if the CPI comes in 7.2 and below. Yes or no? What do you think? The street is divided. Nobody knows. Some say it's going up above 7.7, which would be an absolute market disaster, of course. Some say it's going down below 7. Anything below the last CPI report in October was 7.7, and that was a dramatic drop from the month before in the 8s. So if we can get anything below 7.6, is a downtrend. However, the market would not react to a 7.6. That would be bad. That would be bad because all the moves from the Fed have made no difference. So we don't want to see a 7.6, even though that is down. That is not what we want to see. We want to see at least a 7.3 or even better 2. Then we'll see a dramatic turn. All right. Okay. Let's get ready for it. We're just a few minutes away. Welcome. Smash the like button. Leave your comments in the chat. Welcome all. Okay, here we go. Reading out some of the comments we've got on the screen. Space will pump soon. They have a new competition from the space balloon for $125,000 per flight. Yes, did everyone see the video I put out last night on that? New World, or Worldview, I think it is. Did you all see that? Let's have a look. Who else we got? Alex says hello, Mike. Mike says hello. Hello, Shin Dynasty. That's Bill, of course. Welcome. Hello, amigos, from Alex. We've also got Dexter Sickles here at top of the show. Krytol has just subscribed to our channel. Fantastic. Great stuff. Let's get ready to go. Sid. Good morning, Sid. Welcome. We are waiting for the CPI report. As you can see, the market is preparing upward. Why it's going up? Simple reason. That's day traders buying, ready to sell. Remember, this happens in a microsecond. The moment that data is released, unless you work on the street, you'll get it a second behind everybody else. So by the time the market has reacted, we are playing catch up. So we will never beat the market. You have to make your decision what you want to do before it happens. Don't try and do it when it happens. Why the markets have pumped up this morning 2% is because everyone is buying in, ready. If it goes up, then they'll make some money. I'm already in, of course, so they'll make money, the ones that I've just bought in. However, if it's a bad CPI report and it drops, they've got to sell really quickly because it will drop. So we shall see what happens. No one knows. And then, of course, tomorrow, Jerome Powell will be reporting and we'll learn which way we're going then. What time is the CPI report? Someone's asking. You can see it on the screen. We're about to bring it to you. Someone on TikTok's asking me what time is the CPI report, and I've got a massive great clock on the screen. We go live in 5 minutes time, and of course the CPI report comes out within minutes of us going live at 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern time, and we'll have it here live for you first as it happens. All right, okay. Get ready, just 4 minutes to go. If you've just tuned in, welcome. CPI report just moments away. That's my live position on the screen, and you're watching there. Thanks for the share, Zaid Woogler. Woolgar, thank you ever so much for the share. Thank you ever so much for sharing this broadcast on TikTok. Thank you so much indeed. All right, if you've just tuned in, please smash the like button. That really helps the channel. Shares the video out to more people. And we're getting ready for our CPI report. Just a few minutes to go. Here we go. Okay, CPI data, just moments to go. And of course, the markets will pump up 10%, even 20% if it's below 7, or drop 10% if it's above 7.5. We don't know, nobody knows, everyone disagrees, no prediction, there's no guarantee to anything here today. The general consensus from me, what I believe is 7.2. So get ready. Just a few moments to go. How can they pump if the markets is closed? The markets are open. They're open now. That's my live position. That's my live money trading right there. That is my live money. Someone's asking on TikTok, how can they trade if the markets are closed? The markets are not closed. This is the pre-market. People are investing right now, as am I. I can buy and sell shares right now, and I have been for the last couple of hours. And so the markets are open. It's not just the main floor at the New York Stock Exchange, but we are open. The figures come out at 7:30. That's when we ring the bell, which is 8:30 Eastern Time. All right. Everyone's ready to go. We're running a poll in our chat right now, and will I hit 50,000 today? 71% say no. That means you don't think the CPI report is going to be favorable. If it's favorable, then it goes up. Simple as that. Let's see. We shall see very, very soon. Okay, 1 minute to go before we go live, and then the CPI report will be at exactly on the half hour. And we are ready and we are waiting. Welcome to our show this morning. Let's get ready to go. It's going to be a dramatic day. We're keeping an eye on everything. Okay, everybody buckle up for one of the biggest days on our portfolio, on our show. Our portfolio, we have, of course, the Fed report tomorrow, and we'll be covering that live as well. Okay. My CPI prediction is, Alex says 6.9 to 7.2. I say 7.2. I like that. My prediction is somewhere between 6.5 and 7.9. Very good, Alex. I'll give you that one. I'll give you that one, mate. That's funny. All right. Okay. Let's get ready to go. Okay, we'll fade the music out now. We don't need the music anymore. We're getting serious now. No need for music. SEC adds new claims to Sam Bankman-Fried, of course. He's off to jail. Flipping idiot walking around in his blooming flip-flops and his belly hanging out. And what an idiot. I've always said it. I've always said it. He's an idiot. Right, here we go. Okay, let's get ready to go. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. You see my live portfolio on the screen. The markets are trending up at the moment. CPI report is out in just 15 minutes. We are ready. We're waiting. We'll report on it live. We'll have the reaction. You'll see my money go up or down dramatically live on the screen as it happens. So we are ready and waiting. What can I say? Let's get ready to go. Let's get ready to go. It's going to be one heck of a day. Everyone's ready. Everyone's prepared. We've got a good audience over on TikTok this morning, and some of you have come over to YouTube. Welcome to you. You can be in our free prize draw on Friday. We give away money every single Friday. We like helping people, and we only do that on YouTube. We can't do that on TikTok because we can't. We can't. Well, we just can't. I don't know what the reason is. We just can't. We do it on YouTube. That's what we do. All right, let's go, says Mike. Are you ready? Are you ready for an explosive day, Mike? We are certainly ready and waiting. And we're just moments to go before we get the report. So we're just going to wait now. We're keeping our eye on the screen, and we're watching all the charts. And all we can do is sit and wait now. I will have the data live on this screen here. You will see it pop up, and we will have it as it happens. And we will react to it as it happens as well. We're listening in. So we're all good to go. Thanks for covering this event. You're very, very welcome, Mike. I'm always here. Russian tycoon to test UK sanctions in 185 million court clash. We got some breaking news here from Rivian. Rivian's quick cash use proves costly for EV makers' ambitions. So that's not good for Rivian. Bankman-Fried, of course, is off to jail. Did you all see my video last night about the world view? We're watching my portfolio. I'll go back to it right now. Here we go. This is my live position. There you go. There we are. As you can see, this is what we're looking at. We're waiting for the news. I'm watching all the screens, and we're all good. Welcome to everybody over there on TikTok. We need to make money today, Mr. Lucas. Good morning, Mohammed Kahain. How are you this morning? Welcome to you. We're waiting for the report to come out. Just moments to go. We'll cover it live. And as soon as we get the information, we'll bring it to you. It's just 13 minutes away. It will come precisely live on the show. You'll see my portfolio drop. You'll see or go up. Let's hope it goes up. Because if it comes in at 7.2 or below, I've got a 10 to 20% rally today. I'm up already 2%. That doesn't mean anything. That just means people are buying in, getting ready for it. That's all. Ready to be in if it goes up, and ready to drop it if it goes down. No one knows. If anybody knew what was going to happen, the markets would already be up or down one way or another. 2% is nothing. That's just day traders positioning themselves for a quick scalp if it goes down. But they've got to be quick though. Got to set your algos very, very quick, because the moment the news is released at precisely in 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern, it'll already have happened. So getting ready. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Thanks for all the follows. Thanks for all the shares. It really helps get the message out to more people. What do I think? 7.2. 7.2 is my estimation. That's where I'm going today. But I don't know any more than anybody else. Just over 11 minutes to go now. We're watching it live. You're keeping an eye on it. Keeping my eye on all the wires. Welcome to all of you this morning. Thank you very much for being here. If you've just tuned in this morning, please smash the like button and share this video. Go below the video and share it. Let more people be part of today's event. It'll be absolutely great. So if you wouldn't mind sharing the live video, underneath the video there's a share button, and you can click that. Really makes a difference. How many people have we got in the stream right now? We've got 129 over there on TikTok. Good morning to all of you. And welcome to everybody here on YouTube. Good morning, everybody. Let's get ready. NCPL on watch, Ed Nevius. Top tip there from Ed Nevius. And we're just getting ready for the CPI report. Did you all see my video last night about Elon Musk being a clown? Possibly being replaced at Tesla. tonight's music world premiere, if you are interested, tonight is Elton John live. There you go, on my show. Today's music premiere, there it is. And then we move to Christmas songs tomorrow. There is the premiere. Be the first person to like it, share it. We've got a target to beat. What was it yesterday? 17. Didn't get the 17 likes before the event started. At the moment, we are just starting off. We are on 7 right now, so let's see if we can get it up. 17 was the record we set yesterday. It was 14 before the show, 17 last night. So now let's see what we can do. We're at 7 right now. You've got 9 minutes to go. So let's get ready to go. Just a few minutes to go now before the bell goes. This is our Elton John premiere tonight in the closing bell. Hopefully you'll join us for that. But we are watching the portfolio right now. The fact it's up doesn't mean anything at all. Not a thing. Not at all. We're up 2%. It just means people are positioning themselves. ETORO, good morning to ETORO. Welcome to you. We've got all our members turning gold badges this month. And any day now, you'll start seeing your badges. Bill, you're yellow at the moment. You'll turn gold any moment now. CPI data just seconds away. We are watching it. Eight minutes to go. My portfolio is up 2%. That doesn't mean anything, all right? That's great to see, but that doesn't mean anything. All that is people are buying to either scalp trade and drop it, or they want to get in because they think it's going up. Nobody knows. The real pump will happen at precisely 7:30, and it will go very, very quickly, one way or the other. If it's 7.7, we crash. 7.6, we crash. 7.5, we crash a little bit, not as bad, right? 7.4, we start going up. 7.3, we go up nicely. 7.2, we go up 10%. 7.1, 7.7, or 6.9, we go up 20%. That's what we're looking for, and no one knows. And we'll find out live on the show. You'll see my portfolio go through the roof, hit 50,000 or 38 in seconds. That's my prediction. That's what's going to happen. Let's get ready for it. 7 minutes to go. If you've just tuned in, welcome, welcome. Smash the like button. That'd really help the channel. Subscribe and ring the bell. There you go. And smash the like button. Only half of you have liked, have smashed the like button. Please help us. We provide this service up to 10 hours a day. I go live. I don't make any money from live videos at all. What brings the live videos is the super chats and the members. The members are what make money on or fund the live shows. Okay, that's why everyone here is a member. We go live up to 10 hours a day. YouTubers make money from videos. They don't make money from going live. That doesn't make any money. The members are those that support the channel. That's why I'm live 10 hours a day, to build a community. Thank you, Mike. Mike has just given a super chat. You're very, very welcome, Mike. Thank you very much indeed for the support. Appreciate it very much indeed. That's very kind of you. We've got a super chat there just come in from Mike. I've done a straddle on S&P, so hoping for a big move either way. There we go. 22 has positioned himself. Hi, Martin. Good afternoon from the Kingdom of Sweden. Welcome, Sweden. Thank you for being here. Let me put all your names up on the screen. There we go. There is Sweden in the house. We've got 22 in the house. Thank you very much indeed. Let's put Mike on the screen as well. Mike just gave me a great super chat. Thank you ever so much indeed for your support, Mike. Thank you, not much. It doesn't matter. $2, mate. $2 is a lot. Imagine if every single person gave me $1. It'd make a real difference. So don't worry about that, Mike. It's very, very kind of you. I appreciate it very much indeed. Dexter Sickles, good morning to you. Good morning, everybody. Okay, Mr. Bill. Thanks, James Tadola, one of our members here. Nearly everyone's a member. If you're not a member yet and you want to be in our cash prize draw, we do it every single Friday. Ask me how you can be. What was the percentage last time, says Mohammed? It was 7.7, down from mid-8s. So it was moving in the right direction. And everyone got really excited. And my portfolio went up 20%, if you remember. However, it pulled back about 17%. So I'm still up 3%, but it pulled back a little bit. Or quite a bit, actually. But what everyone's worried is that was such a drop. Is it a one-off? That's happened in the past, and we could go back up today above 7.7. If that happens, you know, it was such a dramatic drop last time. That's why we had such a big rally. People are fearful that it could easily go back up again. Sam Bankman-Fried's arrested. Yeah, good riddance. Absolutely right. I've got no sympathy for him whatsoever. Disrespected his people, disrespected his investors and his customers. All right. Okay, we're seconds to go now. Welcome, everybody. We are looking at the CPI report. If you've just tuned in, please smash the like button. We've got 30 people watching and only 17 likes. Please help us grow our channel just by becoming a member, a super chat, or even just a like. That really helps the channel grow. All right, let's put a minute on the clock and let's see if we can get. Let's see if we can get everyone to like the video in say, 30 seconds, shall we? Here we go. We've got 19 likes right now. 20, 21. There we go. Smash the like button. We're going up now. There we go. Everyone's supporting the channel. Thank you so much indeed. Smash the like. We're just moments away now. We are now 3 minutes away. Smash the like button. Thank you, Martyn, for doing this every day. You're very, very welcome. I'm here for the members. I'm here for everyone that wants a community, support, family, friends, the honest, real truth. That's why I'm here. If you like this content, become a member of our channel. If you become a member, you can access the members-only videos, exclusive content. I make videos for you. We celebrate your birthday. We do special events for you. You can have polls. You can call in live to the show. You can go on Discord. 20-minute fundraisers, you name it. Your members can get all of those wonderful things. Today's music premiere, world premiere tonight. 2.5 minutes to go. Here we go. Here's the music premiere. If you want the music premiere tonight, hopefully you'll join us. Every night we get a bit more. It was 14, then 17, and we want to get everyone to like the video for tonight, if you can. All right, the portfolio is moving up. That doesn't mean anything at all. SQQQ is dropping big time. Get ready for it. 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. Right, everyone's liked the video. Nearly everyone. Not every single person, but most of you have liked the video. We're just seconds away now. 1.5 minutes. You'll see my portfolio dramatically swing once it happens. So let's get ready. Okay. Woof. Is everyone excited? You should be. My prediction is 7.2. 7.2. 7.2. But that's a big ask. I know. Are we ready? 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Here we go. Oh, everyone's scared. You will see how it moves. It'll be instant. In 30 seconds. We are looking for 7.2 or below. 20 seconds to go. Hold on to your seats. Smash the like button if you want it to go up. Here we go. 10 seconds to go. CPI data will be out any second now. Here we go. We're watching all the wires. CPI data. We are looking. It's moving. We are waiting. It has just gone. Look, it's moving. CPI data. I'm waiting for it. Awaiting inflation figures. The markets are reacting. It must be 7.1. 7.1. It's in. 7.1. I was virtually spot on. I said 7.2. We're going to get $50,000 today. $50,000. There we go. $50,000. It's in. There we go. You can see the markets now going up. 7.1 has come in. The markets are rallying. This could hit 50,000 today. Very, very easy. Spot on. Really good. I'm very, very excited. As you can see, I can't believe it. Wow. There we go. The breaking news is... let me read more information. Let's get the reaction from the Fed as well. I'm reading all the wires. US core consumer prices rise 0.2, estimate 0.3. So that's good. Markets are up. US consumer prices increased 0.1. The estimate was 0.3. So that's good. The core consumers rise 0.2. The estimate was 0.3. That's all good. So everything's looking good. Up 8% already right now. As you can see, the markets are moving big time now. This is very, very good. 0.1 as estimate is 0.3. US equity index futures rise as traders await CPI. Markets wrap. We're getting more information now. The Fed tomorrow will be great. This is good. JP Morgan have said this is the beginning of the bull market. Look at my portfolio go. Look at that. 8.25 as you can see. I predicted today it would be 7.2. I always like to undersell and over-deliver always. I said 7.2 and it was actually 7.1. So I'm very, very happy with that. There we go. Looking good. Let me share with you some information on the screen. Get some more information here as it comes in.
If you like, have a look at the belly of the curve as well. The 2 years down 17 basis points to 420. The 5 years down 19 basis points to sub 360. The 10 years down 17 or 18 basis points to, let's call it, 343. And once you've figured out what's happening with risk and what's happening with the bond market, you can take a stab at what's happening with a euro dollar 106 handle.
There we go. We'll come back to all our positions now. So look at that. 50,000 today could be reached. Right, let's go through the S&P 500. I'm up 5% overall now. Virgin Galactic is 498. I'm up. There you go. Virgin Orbit, I am up today, 3%. Very, very nice indeed. Tesla is up 5%. Guess who bought more Tesla this morning? If you'd have checked out my subscription service on Discord, you will know that I release the information before I do it. I bought three more shares of Tesla at 168. 168. So there you go. Very, very good. This is now the beginning of the bull market, according to JP Morgan. I said my portfolio had bottomed 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago now. And I stand by that. And if I look at my portfolio, and if you look at it over 3 months, in fact, I'll take you to this screen, it's easier. If I take it over 3 months, you will say, look, we're up on the live position. That's obvious. We're up on the day. That's obvious. We're nearly, we're 3.7 from the week. What's important though, we're just down 2.2 over the month. What's important though, look, we are down 10.75, but we're actually up over 2 months now. If you look at 2 months, we are consistently up over 2 months. And after today, we'll probably be up, we could even be up above 3 months. So I said a month ago my portfolio had bottomed, even though I was able to buy a few more. So it wasn't a perfect bottom. But however, there you go. The fundamentals for Tesla are good. Elon Musk is a clown. I reported on it last night. But however, the portfolio, I think, generally speaking, is good. I'm running a poll. Will I hit 50,000 today? 50% if you say yes. Martyn, stop buying Tesla, seriously. 22, I appreciate what you're saying. And I'm just basically covering myself because I want to be in if it goes up. And I'm just nudging it all the time on the way down as well. All right, there we go. Anyway, all very, very good. 7.1. That's great. I predicted 7.2. I'm quite chuffed with that. You're going to end up with 80% of your portfolio in Tesla. Yeah, that is always the issue. What I can do though is lot sale and start selling the ones that I'm up. I mean, I could sell the ones I'm up and do it that way, and that's not a bad idea. The S&P 500 is up 2.26. Virgin Galactic is up 3.7. Virgin Orbit is up 3.1. Tesla is up 4.28. Here goes the little... Oh, hang on, you can't see at the moment, can you? Here's a little sell-off right now. Rivian is up 4%. I'm still down 2. I bought some more at 26. Was it? What was it? 20... What did I buy? I bought some at 25.90. That was it. So up nearly $1 on those shares anyway. Lucid popped up and back down again. Arrival is up 3.43. Amazon's up nearly 4%. Still down 14% on Amazon though. Apple is up 3% today. 2.91, 3.34 on Robinhood. McDonald's is up 1.2. 15% now
McDonald's.
9% now I'm up on Coke. Fantastic. Really good position on Coke right now. Lovely. Johnson is J&J is at 1.21. He's 7% now up on that. Google, I'm up 3.31. Still out with the money on Google. Microsoft, I'm at 3.43. 11.5% on Microsoft. So happy I bought that. Meta, I'm up 5% now today, 4.35. I'm up 3.5% on Meta. This pump doesn't look that strong. S&P giving it back. I agree. I'm just thinking that myself. It's not like last time when it rallied and rallied and rallied though. But of course, we're waiting for Fed Jerome Powell tomorrow. So this is all quite muted tomorrow. It depends, more importantly, not what the Fed's rate is, but what they say afterwards in the conference. That's what's more important. Anyway, US CPI ex food and energy rises 6%, estimated at 6.1. That's good. You've got lots of different calculations, so we're sharing you the information as we get it. So food and energy rise 6% year on year, estimated 6.1. So that's a good sign. We're watching all the different figures as they come in. SoFi, it does look a bit like it's giving it back. I agree. What percentage do you think Warren Buffett is up on Coke? I've no idea. Or today, the same as me. The same as everybody else, I would imagine today. Can't be any different. But overall, I mean, he bought Coke a long time ago. I don't know, he's up probably thousands of percent by now. Anyway, let's have a look. Consumer prices increased 0.1. The estimate was 0.3. The CPI increased 0.1 month on month, and the estimate was 0.3. So there we go. That was good. Very, very good indeed. The overall CPI now is 7.1, down from 7.7. Very, very good indeed. It's still inflation, but it's going in the right direction now, and it's dropped. So the consumer price rise 7.1 year on year. The estimate was 7.3. I said 7.2, and it was 7.1. So there you go. Very, very good. Do I get a round of applause or what? Do I get a round of applause or what? I mean, I should get a round of applause. I think everyone, if everyone took my tip, I should have super chats flooding the channel, because at the end of the day, everyone, if you listen to me and went on 7.2 and bought the shares this morning, you're up. Now it's up to you whether you sell them or not. You could sell them, sell the whole lot, make some money. You're up, what, 6% today. There you go. Anyway, Target is up 1%. Let's keep on going. Tesco's, that's not refreshing. Let me just go back to it. Oh, there we go. Hang on, we've got a few glitches. Let's go to the other end of the spectrum. We'll come back to it. Ethereum is up 5.47. We've got Bitcoin is up 4. Oh, hang on. What's going on here? Hang on. Why is that not on the screen? Right, let me refresh that up. Sorry about that. Let's come out of that screen. There we go. We'll refresh that. So we're up 6.88. It's just topping off a little bit. The S&P is going up again. Michael Holder, good morning. Why does every stock rising up? Well, we just had the CPI report, and I predicted 7.2, and I was spot on. Well, virtually spot on. It was 7.1. It was even better. So basically, inflation has peaked. My portfolio is now bottomed for a month now. We could be at the beginning of a bull market. Certainly at the bottom of the bear market, no question about that. And JP Morgan are saying today is officially the beginning of a bull market. That's what they are saying. And they actually said, I think 7.2, 7.3. I said 7.2. It was actually 7.1. So this is very, very good. Don't forget their inflation target is 2%. Still a long road with high. Yes, absolutely. We're not telling everyone it's great. Inflation is still bad. But what we're saying today is it's all going in the right direction. But what's important is it's going in the right direction faster than anticipated. That's the good part. That means the Fed is likely to pivot, not U-turn. U-turn is bringing interest rates down. They won't do that. What they will do, though, is pivot. So 0.75 will become 0.5. But remember, if we had 100 0.5s, that's worse than half a dozen 0.75s. All right. So what we want is 0.5s, and then we want to see 0.25s, and then we want to see minus 0.25. We want to see the interest rates coming down. We're still putting interest rates up. Let's keep it all into context, right? This is great news. However, it's not. The world is now perfect. It's not that at all. I've noticed that Bitcoin, they've changed their format on the screen. Look, I apologize. I can't share with you what Bitcoin is doing the same way. Robinhood have changed the display. So until I work a way of sharing that information on the screen, it's a bit rubbish. For some reason, they decided to make these cryptos a different size. That's not annoying at all. Put that back the way it was. They've changed the dimensions of the screen. Look at that. I mean, that's the best I can do right now. I can just zoom in and drag it to there. It's a completely different window. There you go. Well, that's as good as you're going to get, I'm afraid. There you go. Look at that. They've changed the dimensions of the screen just for crypto. Oh well. Got to deal with it. Right, we're up now, 7.8. Let's go over to my main screen. Let's have a little look. The US Consumer Price Index, 7.1, estimated at 7.3. There we go, I nailed it. Right, over there on TikTok, it will go up. It will go up again. What will go up again? I love the comments I get on TikTok. A random comment, it will go up. What's going to go up? Thank you, I bought into Virgin Galactic. There you go. Who bought on some of these tips that I put out? Let me have a little look. Thank you, Michael Holder. He bought Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic is a giveaway now. It's the price of the cash on the books. It's the rockets are free. Don't forget their inflation target is 2%. Yes. Good morning, Shad. Good morning to you. Good morning. Of course, tomorrow we're covering the Fed Jerome Powell as well live. When there's a new inflation cause, added. It's a whole new calculus. Don't forget, if we get the end of the war as well, at some point we could get end of the war. That's another 10% rally. So, you know, it's going to come at some point. Anyway, let's read the questions. Rob Brennan, it's like when governments talk about reducing the deficit when their overall debt is still rising each year. Exactly. Thank you, I bought into Virgin Galactic. You're welcome. Let's have a look at Virgin Galactic for you. Up 4.61. I'm up now. There we go. I'm up. My average is 493. Very, very happy with that. Very, very happy with that. My lowest was 414. The reason why my average is 493, because I already had some at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You know, if you buy 100 shares at $4.14, your average doesn't suddenly become $4.14, does it? Anyway, go to the candles, Martin, and change the time frame of what are you asking at 22? What do you want me to do specifically? Has the crypto zoomed out so they can feel good about being pumped over 5 years? Yeah, Rob Brennan, they've changed the dimensions of the screen. I don't like it. They should have them all the same. So from a presenting point of view for me, I have to set up a completely different window, different dimensions and everything, a different scene for crypto now, by the looks of things. But do you think the war will just end before new problems come with it? Well, of course, there'll be issues when the war ends, but the moment that the war can end, then prices can come down more, oil can flow better, electricity prices, power prices in the UK and Europe will come down. It'll be good for everyone. It'll be a massive day if that happens. Well, it will happen. It's just a matter of when. A lot of pump managers want a year-end pump so they can look good for their client portfolio performance at year-end. I've got deja vu. Didn't you say that exact same statement a year ago? A year ago. I remember. Did you say that statement a year ago? We've been here that long. Incredible. Anyway. Welcome, everybody. Let's see how many people have come through the show so far. 86. This is a record for 7:45 in the morning. Very, very good indeed. Have we gained any subscribers this morning? We are up to 5,792. Thank you very much for all of you that are supporting the show. There you go. You can see that 86. Lucid is still the top search thing on my channel. Everyone's looking at Lucid because of the bankruptcy scares. And Tilray as well. They're the top things that are being searched. Elon Musk being a clown is not quite as popular. If you didn't see that already, there's my Elon Musk clown. Did you see that? That video came out yesterday. There it is. Look, Elon Musk. Elon to go. There's rumors that Elon Musk will go from Tesla. If you want to watch that video, check below. All right, let's go. All right. We're getting a good start to the day. It's time for our first quick commercial break. Let's see how many people are watching. Right, I'm going to go to a break in 30 seconds unless I get 40 likes. And I won't actually go to an ad if we get everybody like the video. All right, if we get 40 likes, I will not go to an ad. So here we go. 1 minute on the clock. I won't run an ad. I promise I won't run an ad if we get 40 likes. There's 41 people watching. Otherwise, I'm going to go to an ad. You ready? Okay, smash the like button. Here he is. And I'll put it on the screen. Look, you can see. There's 41 watching. I'll share with you. Look, see? 41 watching. And there is 24 likes. If I get 40 likes, there it is. Look, I will not go to an ad. Otherwise, I'm going to punish you all with an ad. Smash the like button. 24, 25. Come on. There are 41 watching. At the end of 25 seconds, if we don't hit 40, I'm going to run an ad. And you're all going to watch an ad, whether you like it or not. All right, here we go. Ten seconds to go. Smash the like button. If you don't all like the video, I'm going to go to an ad. Let's have a look. 26. I gave you the chance. Look, 41 watching, 26 likes. Right. Okay. So you're going to get an ad. I told you. I warned you. I said, if you don't smash the like button, I'm going to run an ad. So here we go. I'll see. You could have avoided it this morning. That was a bit of fun. I might do that more often. So here we go. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Nah. Enjoy the ad. And we're back. I hope you enjoyed the ad. All right, there we go. Stick that in there. Fantastic. All right, Virgin Galactic, just a little bit of a sell-off this morning. There we go, just a little bit. Up 2.94. Just got here on holiday. How are the markets? I predicted a 7.1 this morning CPI, and it was 7.2. Beg your pardon, 7.2, and it was actually 7.1. So inflation is under control. It's coming down. It's still high, of course. It's still high, but it's coming down, and that's what's important. The consumer price index, things are costing less in the shops, essentially. There we go. So there we go. Over on TikTok, good morning to any of you. They don't make any money, though. What doesn't make any money? Someone just said they don't make any money. What does that mean? All right, so we're up 7.93. We've got 40 minutes before the market opens. Did we get any more likes? We ended up with one person unsubscribed because he thought, I'm not liking your video. That's all right. We got to 26 likes. I was open for 40, see? That's why I said I wouldn't run an ad. Anyway, the portfolio is up right now. Let's go over to the main portfolio, and you can see I can scroll down if you want all my stocks. So I won some free Avalanche last night on Robinhood. They're giving away free Avalanche. So there you go, $1 of Avalanche just by answering a couple of questions. I won some free Avalanche. Oh, there you go. I'm rich now. You can see all my crypto, what's up. You can see what's going on there. VU is up 5.5%. Space is up 0.17. Vorb still. These are my overall positions, right? My overall positions, not today. I'm still down 16%. Rivian. This is my full portfolio: Tesla, Lucid, Arrival, Apple, Amazon, Hood, McDonald's. I'm overall up 15%. Coca-Cola, I'm up 9%. J&J, I'm up 7%. They're my defensive stocks. Google, I'm still out of the money. Microsoft, I'm making money. Meta, I'm making money. SoFi, still out. IonQ, I'm still out. Walmart, I'm making money. 22% now. Target, 1.59. Tesco, I'm making money. When I get to about 3 or 4%, I'll sell my Tesco, by the way. These are all my other little dividend stocks. QQQ is up nearly 4% today. Tilray is up 7%. This is my overall position, not today's position. Enphase Energy up 14%. Photolabs up 20% now. Rio Tinto up 36%. There are all my all-time gains, okay, just so you know exactly what you're looking at there. So we're up nearly 8% right now. Let's have a look. What's the last day you're streaming before Christmas? I will stream every work day. Every work day I will stream. Rob, I will be here. Christmas songs start tomorrow. I'm going to give you now the world premiere. Every night we get a few more people join in. We've got just over half an hour to go before the bell goes. Let me give you tonight's world premiere. Christmas songs start tomorrow. There you go. There is the world premiere. Last night we had 17 likes before the event started. So if everyone could give it a like, here it is on the screen. Go there right now and leave a like. We've got the world premiere tonight. I'm doing Elton John. Elton John tonight. I'm the world piano man. And for those of you who don't know, here's my world premiere. Go and leave a comment, leave a like, leave a comment below the video. It'd be absolutely great. I'd really appreciate it. We got a record last night. How many comments have we got already? It looks like we've got 8. So who have we got? Let me share who's involved. Who's supporting the channel the most? We've got Bill, of course, Shin Dynasty, Mike, and we've also got user. That looks like our friend here. What's his name? Is he in the chat right now? He was in the chat earlier. James Todola. He's got a new account. Look, James Todola is using another account. User 7, whatever that is. There you go. James Todola. You've got lots of accounts, mate. Anyway, so how many have we got now? How many likes have we got in now? Just the 7. So smash the like button. Hopefully we'll beat it. Last night was 17 before the show, which was a new world record. More of you sharing the videos, so we're getting better every day. Okay, 7.7, just topping off a bit. It's been a tough last month. It has. Things all good. Things will get better. Dexter Sickles, yes, they will. They will get better. Okay, with 35 minutes to go before the bell goes. We're getting ready. Good morning, everybody over there on TikTok. Thanks for all the shares. If everybody on TikTok shares, see the little share button just there, look. If you click the share button and you tap the screen like that for a minute, more people will come into TikTok. It's really great. If you like the content, you like what I do, help me by growing by clicking the share button. Tell your friends about it. Just there, let's see it. Just there. And also tap the screen for a minute with two fingers, and it helps the channel grow. What's your opinion on AMC? I wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't touch AMC. Save the date, Martin. 22nd December is when I become a Oh, no way. Rob Brennan is coming back as a member. That is going to be great. Rob Brennan, we know what happened with Rob. It was a famous story on our channel. And that is just great that you're able to do that. Save the date. 22nd of December is when I'll become a member again. Absolutely awesome. I'm just checking on my calendar what date the 22nd of December is. Let me have a look what day that is. It's the 22nd is a Thursday. Yep, we'll be here. Of course we will. We'll be here. Absolutely right. We'll be here. No doubt about it. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. That's great news, isn't it? Yeah, isn't that brilliant? We know the pain that with Virgin Galactic that Rob went through, and the fact that he's able to come back. He's obviously working it all out. Brilliant. Is it possible Powell will steamroll the rally? No, I can't see that's possible. No, that's why today it's not flying up out of the gate, because we've got Jerome Powell speaking tomorrow. Jerome Powell. He's going to go on these figures. The fact of the matter is inflation is coming down. The Fed are winning the war. So it's great. 0.5% is what's priced in. There's no way he's going to go 0.75 tomorrow. No way. That would be. Why would he go 0.75? They're winning the war on inflation. Of course, Jerome Powell is going to go 0.5% tomorrow. He has to. That's obvious. However, he could even go 0.25, and then we're in for one hell of a rally. So it's all good. Whichever way you want to skin the chicken, it's good. Hey, Martin, how did you buy shares pre-market? Because I can buy them pre-market on my app. Robinhood, I can buy from, I think it's 5 in the morning. So yeah, I bought. I'll show you. Look, I bought 168. I bought 2 shares of Tesla. 168 something or other. Yeah, but yeah, anyone can. It's not just me. It's not special. Yeah, it's just me. I'm the only person who can do it. Because I'm on YouTube. They give me special permission. Anyway, right, we're up 7.98. I'm debt free now. Working about. You are kidding me. This is fantastic. Everybody, listen to this. Rob Brennan is debt free now. You'll know he was one of our. It was a famous story on our channel when he lost with Virgin Galactic. We've got our biggest ever audience for this time of the morning. 49 people watching live. Welcome, welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man. This is my TV studio. We got a world premiere tonight. We're getting ready to release the single for Virgin Galactic. I'm writing a song for Virgin Galactic to promote the stock, and all the money I make in the studio from that song, I'm going to buy Virgin Galactic shares. Very exciting. This is my real money. All started with $5,000. This is real money, my real positions, all of my money, and some here on the portfolio. Anyway, let's go through the stocks. We are just half an hour to go now. Fantastic. Right, I'm going to give you another chance. Another chance. We've got 44 watching. If we get to 40 likes right now, I will not run a commercial break. I'm being very nice today. I'm giving away my money. I am, literally. You ready? Okay, here we go. I'll zoom in on the screen for you. Look, there's 44 watching. If we get 40 likes, I won't run a commercial break right now. You ready? Smash the like button. Here we go. I said chicky, pow, pow. Said chicky, pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up. We're the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. 29 likes. If I get 40 likes in 30 seconds, there's 44 people watching. I wonder if we've got lots of bots watching me this morning. Not real people. That's what it must be. Because I'm offering not to do any commercial breaks here. Something's going on. Smash the like button. There we go. All right, time is just about up. I don't think you're going to do it again, which means we're going to go to a half an hour break. Unbelievable. The day I say I'm not going to do commercial breaks, I think we're watched by bots. I think we're being watched by bots. It's quite incredible. Anyway, it's all good. Let's go back to the main position. Here we go. So, unfortunately, it's half an hour before the show. It is break time, so we're going to go to a commercial break. You had a chance. I think we're being watched by a bot. We must be. We must be. Come into the live chat if you're not a bot. See you back in 10 seconds from now. There we go. Peru and the bots in the house. Yeah, it's weird. I get lots of bots do all sorts of stuff, but I'm a bot. This too shall pass. Very clever bot. I'm going to work. I'm going to work and I'm a bot. There you go. Martin, do you have a crystal ball prediction about J Powell will say? Yes, I do. And I'm going to say, I'm only going to give my crystal ball prediction if everybody smashes the like button. Right, we've got 108 people in. Our average is 200 by the end of the show. 108 already. So, good. Making Juice is here. Good morning, Making Juice. Let's have a quick look. 5791. There we go. Gained another subscriber. Very, very good. And we've got 30 likes now. Right. I think we got rid of the bots. You always get rid of the bots when you run a commercial break. They don't know how to handle that. They don't know how to handle a commercial break. All the bots go away when you do a commercial break. It rinses them all out. So now I've got 30 watching, 30 likes. Now we're back to normal again. Right. Yes, I do have a prediction. You ready? You want my prediction for tomorrow? I was spot on today. Always undersell, always overdeliver. I said 7.2. It was 7.1. The market's rallied. JP Morgan have said this is the beginning of the bull market. I said a month ago my portfolio had bottomed. I stand by that. I'm up over 2 months. I'm up over 2 months now. So there you go. Right, it is prediction time. Crystal ball. You ready? Okay, here we go. Tomorrow, Fed Jerome Powell will be live on my show. He's one of my star guests, one of my best friends. This is true, however, because I will stream another channel where I find him speaking and just send it out so it looks like he's on my show. Technically, he's not, but no one knows. It's like a magic trick. But Jerome Powell will be on my show tomorrow. Yeah, my crystal ball confirms that. Also, my crystal ball will say 100% it's half a basis point. No reason at all to go 0.75. None whatsoever. Inflation is under control. It's coming down. So tomorrow, my prediction for the Fed rate will be 0.5%. So there you go, 50 basis points, and more than likely, it's an outside chance. It could even go to 0.25, but I'm not predicting that. I'm predicting 0.5 tomorrow. It just means 0.25 could come the following month. That's the point. And then eventually we will get a U-turn. So tomorrow is a pivot. A pivot is turning slightly, just reducing the rates that we're adding. Interest rates are still going up, but just adding less. And then maybe another couple of months, we might start seeing the rates come down overall. All right, that means minus 0.25. Do you think the markets will rally on a 0.5 hike? Not a huge amount. They will rally today and then we'll be pretty much done because it's already priced in. We've had the rally for today. There's a bit more to come. This isn't it. I'm up 8%. There's more to come, to be fair. I think when the market's open, it will rally a bit more than this. I don't think we're done. I think my portfolio could hit $50,000 today. I asked the question whether I would. 62% of you said yes. I think it's possible today. My portfolio could hit 50,000. Yes, I do. Anyway, let's go through. Let's see what's hot, what's not. Okay, the S&P 500 is up 2.95. I'm up 6%. I think that's the highest I've ever been up on the S&P. I don't think I've ever been up 6% on it. Let me have a little look. Up on the week, up on the month, up on 3 months. Yeah. There's the bottom of the market. Look. There's the bottom. There's the bottom right there. Over the year, look, we get these rallies and sell-offs. What we want to do now is break this point, 395. If we break 395, that's the first time. See all these peaks here? They set higher lows. Can you see? They keep going down. If we can break this one and break this trend line here, so you could draw if you wanted to. If you were a chart reader now and you were looking at the clouds and you could see things in the clouds, you would draw a line straight across there and say, "There's a trend line." Okay, there's all the peaks. If we can break through 394, then we're looking very good. Okay. See that trend line running across there? We can go into all sorts of details and zoom in and draw pretty patterns all over the place. But at the end of the day, it's not about the line. The chart doesn't know, the stock doesn't know it's on a pattern. It doesn't know it's a line. It doesn't know it's forming some pretty picture. It doesn't know that. That's just how humans interpret it and then use that as basis to invest. I don't. I just believe in the companies and what they're doing, period, and just have patience. Do you think the markets will rally on a 0.5% hike? No, I think I answered that one. My friend bought a 800,000 flat in London a year ago and locked in a 2% interest rate for 5 years. Very nice. What a stroke of luck, avoiding these interest rates hikes. Yes, indeed. Brilliant, that, Rob. Congratulations to your mate. Absolutely brilliant. Anyway. We're up now 8% overall. Looking pretty good. 8.07. Let's see what happens when the bell goes. We've got 25 minutes to go. Everybody on TikTok, thanks for all the follows. Thanks for all the likes. If you want to share this video, see it just there. Look, there's a little share button just there. If you tap that share button just there, that really helps the channel grow. If you like the channel and I go live 10 hours a day and you want to help me and you want the channel to grow, just click the share button. Doesn't cost anything, it's free. And if you tap the screen like that with 2 fingers for a minute, it puts loads of likes on the screen and it really, really helps. Thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the feathers. Everybody on TikTok, thank you for your support to the channel. All those little tips and all those little things actually help and make a difference. Oh, someone just shared the video. Ian Mizzy, thank you Ian Mizzy for sharing the video. Thank you so much. You owe me, the Jewish banker says, "Oh, well, I'll go live 10 hours a day and share with you all my investments and trades, and I will always tell the truth and I'll always be honest." I mean, that's as good as I can do. But what I can do is every Friday we have a cash giveaway on my YouTube channel. We do it every single Friday. It's free to enter, free for all. Martin for DMR just shared me as well. Thank you, Martin. Thank you very much for the share. That's really, really kind of you. Appreciate that very much indeed. Thanks a lot. Yeah, if you share the video, it really helps us grow. Anyway, we're up at 7.94 at the moment overall today. Virgin Galactic's going up. Virgin Orbit is up 3.57. Tesla is up today 5%. I bought at 168 last night or this morning. Rivian is up 5.99. 27. I bought some more Rivian. I'm still out of the money, but I bought some more. Lucid. I bought some more Lucid. Still out of the money by 29%. Arrival. Well, we know what Arrival is. It's a lottery ticket. Amazon. Still out of the money, but I'm up today. Apple. Looking much better. Robinhood. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, Google. Still out of the money on Google. We're going to go for $100 before I get into the money. My average is 99. Microsoft 3.83. Meta is up nearly 6%. I'm up nearly 5% overall now on Meta. I could start trimming off there now if I wanted to. I've made myself $300. I could sell that there and take $300 profit, put $6,500 back in the bank. Could do that. It's a nice little profit, isn't it? SoFi is up today, nearly 5%, still out of the money. IonQ is up 5%. I'm also still out of the money on that one. Walmart is up 1.21. Target is up today 1.75. Tesco is flat right now. I'm up 0.64. I could sell that as well. There's plenty of things I can sell here right now with today the way it is. But this is the beginning of a bull market. Why would you sell out now? Well, when I say a bull market, what I mean is it's the beginning of the end of the bear market. It's not suddenly all overnight great. JP Morgan said it is. JP Morgan says it's the beginning of the bull market today. Anyway, no, you're a good man. Thank you very much. A Jewish bank, I appreciate you very much. Brought hubs last week. Thanks for all the shares. We've got 6 shares now. Thanks for all the shares and all the likes. It's called a Santa Rally, says Caden Youngquist. And do you know what? Do you want to see how good I am? Right? Because look. I already created my thumbnails, already predicting the Santa Rally. I already did it ahead of schedule. Anyone can do it afterwards, but look, I did it before. This is our show in a couple of days' time. Look, Santa is already on it. I'd already made this video, already recorded this, already did this a few days ago before any of this. Are you impressed? There is the rally. Look, right there. And you may notice that I've actually done that for all of the videos upcoming from next week. Look, if you look at my upcoming live streams, this is where we schedule the show every day so you never miss anything. We always go live at the same time, so you always know I'm live. And right, look, upcoming live streams. Can you see that the Santa Rally is there? Look. See, all the Santa Rallies, all of them, everyone. There you go. There's my prediction. Don't say I don't put my name in the sand and give my, make a decision. Bullish till Christmas and possibly end of year. I made myself pancakes for this rally at 14,000 pre-market. Fantastic, Mohammed. So why on earth are you not a member of this channel then? Why on earth are you not a member of this channel? We go live 10 hours a day to help people, support people. Go on, become a member. And I have a membership program which benefits you more than me. The members are what keep this show live. If I wanted to make money, I would just make videos and a little bit of live. I go live 10 hours a day because I believe in community more than making money. To me, my payment is you being here, but it's the members that keep this show live by supporting it. There's the membership invitation, and I've designed a membership to benefit you. I get a couple of bucks a month if you are a bronze member from you, but I actually give you 10 times back what you put in. All right. And I can prove that to you. I'll promote your YouTube channel. I will. There's loads of videos, by the way, on our homepage that only members can see. See these? Look, member-only videos. Member-only videos can see these. These are only members that get to see these. Members can have polls in the chat. They can ask me to do make certain videos on stocks, and I'll buy the stocks. I will reply to all your comments. I will feature your YouTube channel on my homepage, and it's all good. I've just got somebody book the newsletter. We're now reaching, I think it's 320 people on the newsletter with a 60% open rate. It's just been booked for this Sunday. So next Sunday is available if anybody wants it. But this Sunday is already booked. It's a $10 super chat if you want me to promote your business or whatever it is you want to promote in the newsletter. We have a 60% open rate, and I think it's 320. You can see at the top of the newsletter each week I put the readership in there. You can see how many people read it. Okay? Up 8.29. 15 minutes to go. The markets, I could hit 50,000 today. We're at 46. Virgin Galactic is at 499. Virgin Orbit's 3.57. Tesla. So what's the CPI report? It was Caden, I predicted 7.2. It was 7.7 last month, and it was actually 7.1. It was 7.1, so it was fantastic. 7.1 today. It came in ahead of estimates. My calculation I worked out was 7.2, and it was actually 7.1. So that's why the markets have rallied. And tomorrow, Fed Jerome Powell has to go up only 0.5% because inflation's under control and coming down. He can't possibly do any more than 0.5%. It would be a mutiny. It would be pointless. Why would he go 0.75? The only reason he'd do 0.75 tomorrow is if he said, I'm doing 0.75 tomorrow and then next month I've cancelled it. It's going to be, I'm going to no more rate hikes. And that would be just as good. But I think he'll do 0.5 and then the following month we'll get 0.25. That's where it should go. That's where it needs to go. And what do you see Tesla hitting? Tesla, someone's asked me about Tesla. Tesla is going to go way past $200 a share, way past that when the next earnings report comes out, I think January or February time. I think it's January. I'm very optimistic about that, especially now the dollar is coming down as well, which means their profits overseas in China and Europe are going to go up. So yeah, all good. We got some more breaking news here. Meta has just hit 6%. I am now up 5.5% on my Meta. Fantastic. I could sell it. I could trim off, take some profits. There we go. This is the number I've been waiting for, folks. I could take some profits. More certainty in the market, more investors stepping back in. I don't know if we'll see new lows again. I have said now consistently for 3 weeks to a month that my portfolio bottomed 3 weeks ago. I said it. I'm standing by it because if I look over 3 months, Caden, look at this. I said it before it happened. I said 3 weeks, a month ago, my portfolio had bottomed. Look, I'm up over 2 months. I'm down over 3 months, but look, I'm up over 2 months. If you go back here, all the way to October the 15th, 2 months ago, I'm up. All right, and today we're going to also break this trend line. I know you like all your charts and stuff. You see this trend line? If I could draw a line running across from that peak there, right, down here, look, the first time we're going to break it, if I go back to this point here, let's do the 3 months. We're going to break this higher low. We haven't done that yet for a year. It's been consistently going down, so I'm very, very happy. All right, I think we're going to break that line. If you drew a line from there all the way down to there, I think we're going to break it for the first time. Okay. Anyway, let's see if I'm right. All right. We've got just under 15 minutes to go, and the market is really rallying now. Where's market profit again? Where's market profit? Market profit's not here again. It's always here on a red day, never on a green day. Right, okay. I'll become a member, Mr. Lucas, very soon. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you. And I can't wait to give you all your perks. There are many, many perks. It doesn't benefit me as much as it benefits you. That's why everyone's a member. Mr. Beast, one of the biggest YouTubers in the world, has 8 to 9% of his live viewers are members. I have 95% of my live viewers are members. It's the highest engagement rate on YouTube. No one has 95% of their live viewers members. I do. and it's going up all the time, actually. So there you go. Become a member, be part of it, and then I can give you the upgrade to Discord. You can call into the show. I can make videos for you. You get exclusive contents, 20-minute fundraisers. You name it, it's all available to you after that. All right, going to go to a quick commercial break. We're nearly ready to open the bell, ring the bell. See you back in 10 seconds. You're talking about Elon Musk getting a lot of heat. I made a video last night about Elon Musk being replaced at Tesla. And I said it's good for the stock. Last night I put a video out. Did you see my Elon Musk clown video? There it is. There is my clown video. Elon Musk is a great engineer. He should remain an engineer and a pioneer. He's not a good CEO. He's terrible. Look. This ridiculous, over a grave like this, acting like a clown, acting like a fool, provoking arguments, not debate, not healthy debate, arguments, promoting aggressive arguments on Twitter. This has to stop. And the reason why it has to stop, you might go, well, what's wrong with free speech? Why can't he say what he likes? He can do what he likes. However, he's the CEO of Tesla and Twitter, and what's happening is people are cancelling their Teslas because they are fed up with Elon Musk. They don't like him anymore. They don't want to own a Tesla. Number one, they are cancelling their their advertisement on Twitter because Elon Musk is provoking arguments. They don't like it. So at the end of the day, he's damaging his business. He's damaging Twitter, which means he keeps raiding the piggy bank of Tesla. Now, short term, it's terrible. And it's not the way I want my CEO of the company that I own, Tesla, to behave. However, remember I've always said there's opportunity in everything. It's great for the stock because it enabled me to buy it. I bought some shares last night for 160, or this morning, 168. I like Elon Musk acting like a clown because it drives the stock price down. He has to sell his shares because he's running out of money. He's not the richest man in the world anymore, not even close. And he keeps selling Tesla shares to repair the damage of Twitter, and that's going to keep going on because people are leaving Twitter like crazy. So it enables me to buy cheap Tesla because Tesla is a great company. Tesla is still going to carry on doing great things, even if Elon Musk is no longer the CEO. I've got no issue with Tesla at all. Tesla is great. Elon Musk, a clown. And there you go. Let's have a little look. He might get fired from the board just like he did with PayPal. There you go, 22. There you go. He might well indeed. I'm not a fan of Elon. I think some human beings prop him up, big him up too much. Who really knows what's behind? Thank you very much, Leah. Just got a cup of coffee from Leah. Good morning, Craig. Good morning to you. CPI came in low this morning. Perfect. Exactly as I predicted. In fact, better than I predicted. I said 7.2. It was actually 7.1. Thanks, Leah, says Mike. Brilliant. That's his job, remember. 8.6. Yum coffee. How can the CPI rate, Martin, are we going... the CPI rate I predicted was 7.2. It came from last month was 7.7. It actually came at 7.1. So yes, we are going to have a Santa rally. And for those of you who just want to know that I'm really committed to what I say, I had already, scheduled my shows with the Santa rally. Look, here's my show scheduled. You can see the FOMC report tomorrow. There's the report itself. There's the FOMC reaction. And there is Thursday. There is the Santa rally. I'd already predicted it, already put my name in the sand, already made thumbnails saying a Santa rally is on. JP Morgan have said that this is now a bull market. This is the beginning of the bull market. I said a month ago that my portfolio had bottomed. I stand by what I say. And there you go. I believe so. Is Leah your wife? Yes, she is. Yes, Leah is my wife, yes. S&P is up 3%. Virgin Galactic, we've got 5 minutes to go. Up 8.59. 7.1. So what do you think? Do you think the bull market, we are now in a bull market? JP Morgan think we are. JP Morgan think we're in a bull market now. I don't go that far. I say it's the bottom of the bear market and it's turning bullish. Are we in a bull market now? No. But am I at the bottom of my portfolio? Yes. I believe so. Right then, let's have a quick look on my portfolio with 5 minutes to go. 142 in. Has come through our show. 200 is what we end up the show at. So to be 142 already is fantastic. That's really great. Did we gain any subscribers? 5792. There's another one. Brilliant. How many watching live right now? 37 with 33 likes. We got rid of the bots. We had a lot of bots watching us earlier. We had like 47 people watching apparently, and no one chatting and no one liking. So I know for a fact that we had about 10 bots this morning watching our channel. Anyway, everybody on TikTok, thanks for all the likes and the shares. We're just Santa Rally's here. Yeah. Doesn't mean to say it's always going to be green days. There'll be up and down days. You didn't get rid of this bot. This too shall pass. No, I've still got you there. Now then, we've got our invitation to join. If you want to become a member of our channel, here is the invitation to join. I gave you the wrong link earlier. Here is the invitation. 95% of our live viewers are members. We have the highest engagement rate on YouTube of any YouTube channel. I see a few people here today who are not members. If you consider being a member, I promise you, the moment you become a member, you get 20 times back what you put in. Allow me to show that to you, and we'll celebrate you and give you all your free gifts. We do it for all our members, and there are many different levels. You can be a member from a couple of bucks a month if you want to. If you want to access Discord today and you want to call in and get Ed Nevius's tips, my tips, you can see what I'm doing before I do it, and Muzanella's tips and others, exclusive to members only. There is Discord. You can get in for free, but once you are in as a YouTube member, I will upgrade your account manually on the show, and you'll get a much better experience, and you'll be able to talk to our investors. Okay, up 8.54 right now. Tesla still weak, still being sold off. Ethereum today is up 5.25. Arriva's up 5.9. Ethereum is up today as well. BSV today is up 2.41. Enphase Energy is up 3.77. Tilray Brand is up 4.76. Looking good. And On is up 4.94. We've got 3 minutes to go. Canoe is up 4%. Many of my stocks are still underwater. Not all of them. I've got a lot of profits in a lot of stocks, but there are plenty that are underwater at the moment. Walmart is up 22%. IonQ is up 5% today. Walmart, that was my overall position, by the way. SoFi is up 5.84. Meta is up 6.36. I'm up 5.52. And of course, Meta makes money from advertisement. So does Google. So these companies will rally quickest, because if the markets are improving and businesses start to advertise again, these are the companies that are going to make it. And we know now that the Meta might be being ramped back, and even Mark Zuckerberg could be taken off from being CEO. All of that is good for the stock price. All of that means I'll spend less on Meta and get back to running ads on their platform, and that makes them money, because at the end of the day, Facebook is a cash cow, and it'll start making money again. That's why Google's up today. These are all obvious signs that the market is recovering. J&J is up a small amount, 0.71. Coca-Cola up a small amount. Again, people aren't buying these stocks as much. The defensive stocks today, they're buying them. because they're going up, but they're not don't need to buy defensive stocks if the markets are rallying. Tech will explode first. High risk stocks will explode first, and that's why everything is up so much. Amazon oversold now for months, up 5% today, still out the money by 13%. Not buying any more yet. I won't buy any more unless it goes to my all-time low anyway. I've got all my best stocks set for crash sales. If we get like a bad earnings or some news breaks or something like that, I will pick up cheap stocks all across the board, right? Like Lucid, for example. I want to buy more at $8. Okay. 1 minute to go. Here we go. To ring the bell. Virgin Orbit's up 7%. I'm still out of the money by 7%. Let's check my Roth IRA. I have money in that as well. My Roth IRA, I'm down 2%. And in my main account, I'm down 13%. I have 2. All right. Virgin Galactic is now $5. There we go. S&P is down is up 2.89, nearly 5.5%. That's my best position for a long time. All right, the clock is slightly out, so let me count down 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Here we go. Here's the immediate action. That doesn't mean it's dropped. That's just the charts refreshing. There you go. Let's see where we go. I said today I could hit $50,000. Let's see where it goes. Not everyone can trade pre-market. All the big boys can, of course. All the institutions, they've been trading for hours. So don't expect suddenly the whole world to wake up. The world's been trading. But anyway, let's see what goes on. 8.87, 8.75. Are we going to hit 50,000 today? 60% of you say yes. 8.69, nothing massive at the moment. Of course, everyone's a little bit muted because tomorrow is Jerome Powell. We're waiting for that tomorrow. Let's see what's moving. Nothing's refreshing yet. 8.8 overall. Virgin Orbit just down slightly. Tesla falling off, but still up 4%. 8.66. It's nothing massive at the minute. Rivian is doing well, up 8%. I'm in the money again with Rivian. Great. I'm up again with Rivian. I've got more shares of Rivian now. 8.36. It's falling back a bit. 8.83. On Lucid, the overall market is now at 8.31, 8.29. I'm watching the overall portfolio. Arrival is up 10%. Amazon's up 5.8. Google is up 4.8. 98.08 right now. Apple is up 3.3. So see what I'm saying? Not a massive takeoff for the overall position. Individual stocks, yes. For retail investors, yes. But the overall markets are done. They've already had their pump this morning. But there's no reason for it to go off. So what we need to see now is 10 minutes of it not moving, and then it will go up. No one's selling off. The market now is testing itself. Is everybody going to dump it? There's no reason why they would. People don't want to dump it now and it goes straight up. People don't want that. More buyers coming in than sellers. Google's going up. Sorry, Coca-Cola's going up. J&J just moving down slightly. Google's up today, 4.43. The overall portfolio, look, if I just go back to it quickly, you'll see it's just topping off a little bit. Some profit taking, but I can't see why it would go down that much. Yes, Baron Handley, the CPI was out an hour ago. It was 7.1. Last month, the previous month, September, was up in the 8s. October came down to 7.7. I predicted before this morning that it would come down to 7.2. It came down to 7.1. That's why the markets rallied. And I'd already made that prediction. I'd already confirmed the Santa rally. Look, my event at the end of the week after Jerome Powell, there's Father Christmas on the thumbnail. I'd already made my prediction, and I was right today. So there we go. The markets are now just selling off a little bit. Malk says, milk, no sugar, please, Leah. And Baron Hanley has the CPI rate come out yet, 7.1. Very, very good indeed. Let's see how many people are watching now. 42 watching, 36 likes. Smash the like button. Let's see if we can get to 40 likes. And I'll do it again. I'll do another little test that I won't run a commercial break if we get to a certain number. It gets rid of all the bots, right? I love it. Let's get some more breaking news if we can. Commodity futures trading commission sues Bankman-Fried. There we go. He's being sued and going to prison. Good riddance. It's the best thing for crypto, though. It's the best thing for crypto that's ever happened. It's rinsing out all the con artists and the fraudsters. So I'm glad about that. Anyway, quick sip of coffee. So it's a green day. I'm not buying anything. Nothing's gonna go to all-time lows today, unless there's some particular crash on an individual stock, and that's what I'm looking for, and that's what I want. Because if I get an individual stock do something really crazy, somebody sells something dramatically, someone exits their position because they've made so much money or whatever reason, or a leaked earnings or whatever it might be, all of that stuff is great because it now enables me to pick up, because we are entering now into a bull market. This is the last legs of the bear market, and it enables me to buy some stocks on discount if it happens. And so that's what I'm looking for. Anyway, that's what I'm looking for. Pick up, but the overall market, I think, had bottomed a month ago. So let's just show you what I mean by that. Let me look at my overall position. If we go here, you can see we're obviously up on the hour, no surprise. We're up on the day, obviously. We're up on the week now. Well, we're down 2.5% on the week. If we can make that up to another 2.5%, which we could do easily today. On the month, we're down just 1%. Just 1% we'll be up on the month. 3 months, we're down 10%, but we're actually up over 2 months. We're actually up over 2 months, which is great. So the overall position, we're still out of the money. We're out of the money by a long way, $29,000, 38%. But remember, we were at 55%, so we've gained a huge amount. So things are getting a lot better. Here comes a little bit of profit taking. There's going to be some profit taking, but what we want to see is it start to go up again, and that's what I think we'll see in a minute. It's very early in the day. Let's see how we go. Anyway, we've just started the bell, so let's very, very quickly bring everybody up to date. Day trade of the day, cash giveaway, of course, Friday, and we have Jerome Powell speaking tomorrow as well, live on the show. Let's bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds. Here we go. Okay, we're back with you once again, and we're just waiting to see it start to turn up again. It's trying to. Let's see if it does. The S&P 500 now, I'm at 4.84. I bought some more lows. Virgin Galactic, a long time ago now, well over a month ago, I bought some S&P 500. Virgin Galactic, let's try and get it above 5 again. 2-second commercial break, LOL. I know, pretty good, right? You might have seen the ad, you might not. Some people do, some people don't. If you're on Amazon, if you're on Premium, whatever it is, then you won't. But I still get paid, though. That's how it works. Tesla's up 2%. I bought 168 pre-market. I want to go to Hawaii. We all want to go to Hawaii. All right. Santa Rally. Good evening, sir. User Clavins, good morning to you. Nando Ananda Moo, I think that's right. Will trading go flat in the run? Will trading go flat in the run up to the hot? No, we're going to get a Santa Rally, especially tomorrow if we get 0.5%. If we get 0.25, then it'll explode. I actually think we'll get half a percent tomorrow, and we'll rally, but slowly. We've already had this massive pump today, but there's more to come. 7.1 inflation, market explodes. Maybe when it hits 2%, we should only go up for the next 2 years. Church of Logic, where have you been? I reported 7.1 an hour and 10 minutes ago. In fact, I'd already predicted a 7.2 2 hours ago. We've been live for an hour, like 2 hours. Where have you been? Coming on in. And also, and to prove it, look, I already posted my Santa Rally videos for Friday. Already done. There's Father Christmas, look, already there, look. Already done. Already made put my name in the sand so people can laugh at me and go, see, you're wrong. Just, I've already done it. There's no point making predictions after the fact, is there? I do them before. That way you can be judged, right? Anyway, work been busy, mate. Well, that's no excuse. That's no excuse. Yeah, 7.2. I predicted 7.2. It was 7.1, even better. Up 2% now. We're just getting a slight pullback. Waiting to see how the markets react to this. It's still early days. We've only opened 9 minutes ago. Stocks, treasuries rally on call at CPI. Let's have a little look. New NYC Mayor's top 8. Oh, I've lost it. They were bringing me some news and they just covered it up. Never mind. I was reading that. Why did you cover it up? Never mind. Bitcoin was going to $100,000 last Christmas. Oh, yeah. Pay no attention to that nonsense. Martin, let's not pretend anyone knew. It's all guesswork and risk. Absolutely. Absolutely right. I'm not pretending I knew. No, I'm not. Let's put that on the screen. Martin, let's not pretend anyone knew. It's all guesswork and risk. Yes, it's risk management. It's guessing. It's looking at the figures. But they can be interpreted many ways. Yes, it's nice when you get it right, but I get it wrong more often than I get it right. You're absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. But the only thing that I will say, though, is I'm always optimistic, and I not over the top, I don't think. I think people can be too negative. So I will stand by, even though you're absolutely right, it is best guess, and it is. I still believe in understanding how people work. People are greedy, selfish, manipulative, liars. All of that is bad, but all of that is good for me, because if you understand how people work, then you can kind of see where we're going, where the world is going. In a general sense. That's what I mean by that. Anyway, I'm always optimistic. I don't see any point in not being so. But you're right, it is a best guess. Might be good to get a mortgage now at 4.9%. Lock it in, yep. If people knew the market would never move because it would all be... yeah, exactly. Exactly. If everybody knew it was going to go up, everybody would just keep buying and buying and buying, right? It just never go down, would it? And then it wouldn't work. You can only get rich because somebody else is poor. That's how it works. Then you can help the poor. You can help charities. But if you want everyone in the world to have a job and everyone to be rich and everyone to have a $1 million mansion and everyone to have a Ferrari, it doesn't work. Nothing works. It's the Church and Martyn show. Hello. What's going on here? It's the Church and Martyn show. It's the Martyn show. I don't know about the Church show. Don't know how he got in the equation. Everyone has their own game. They do indeed. Bill, your dynasty is old. What are you doing here? Hang on a minute. What's that mean? Your dynasty is old. What are you doing here? That's not very nice. Neptunian, what do you mean by that? No, it's the Martyn Lucas show. There you go. See. Got to be well qualified, though. You have to be qualified. Nobody wants everyone to be rich. Yep, wouldn't work. If everyone was rich, no one would work at McDonald's. No one would empty the bins. Nothing would get done. So I'm helping the rich. Yeah, yeah, that's right. Everyone wants a job and deserves a job. I don't think everyone deserves a job. I don't think everyone deserves a job. No, I don't think everyone does deserve a job. I've employed people that have worked for me that couldn't care less about what we were doing, couldn't care less about the product, just wanted to take money out of my pocket, had no intention of ever being on time, had no passion. No, not everyone deserves the jobs. There are lots of people that do jobs that have no respect for their jobs at all. Couldn't care less. Just give me the money. If you give me the money, I'll stay at home. But to me, I focus on my job and the payment comes afterwards, right? Make something out of your job and then the payment will take care of itself, because you will work your way up the ladder and you will end up owning the company. That's the way I've always seen life. If I wanted to work at McDonald's tomorrow, I wouldn't ask how much it was, how much my pay is. I'd work at McDonald's because I wanted to end up running the place, and I'd then end up running the place. That's the way to do it, right? Because I would care about my job, care about my career, not just how much money can I get out of you. So I don't think everyone deserves a job. No. Let's have a look. It's a history joke. Oh, it's a history joke. Oh, okay. Nuts for you to have that opinion. This is why we have crime. What, you think everyone deserves a job? Every single person who doesn't even care about the employer or the job they're working for still deserves a job. You think everyone deserves stuff? No, we don't. I don't deserve anything. I don't deserve anything. I don't deserve anything at all. What I want, I have to find a way to achieve it. I don't deserve anything. I don't deserve you guys watching my channel. If I get it, I'm very fortunate. But do I deserve it? Like it's my right? No. Do I deserve? No, I don't deserve anything. There are people in the world with absolutely nothing. Because by me saying I deserve something means that somebody else doesn't. That puts me above somebody else. It's like when people say I'm blessed. I hate when people say I'm blessed. Hate that phrase. I have this argument with Leah all the time. Someone's had a really good time. Someone's got loads of money. Someone's got a new job because I'm blessed today. And I go, what? So the people with nothing are not blessed then? So you're special? No. No one is special. No one is above anybody else. I'm not blessed. I work hard. It works out or it doesn't. It's half luck anyway, right? If it was all about like you got what you deserved, right? I would have 1 million subscribers already. I go live 10 hours a day, more than anybody else. Why have I got? I deserve 1 million subscribers. Doesn't mean I'm going to get it, does it? I don't deserve anything. I get what I get, and it's luck at the end of the day. Not everyone wants to work. I've been through 50 employees in the past. There you go. That's why people get fired or sacked, because they don't want to work there. Exactly. I don't care about my job either. They don't do anything for me. There you go. Well then try if you can. Work for yourself, church. Work for yourself. There's always a way to earn money. There's always a way to earn money. Since I was 16, I've always managed to earn money somehow. And no one's ever given me a penny. Same, Martin. Some people absolutely don't deserve a job. There are lots of people who could be working but don't because they're simply lazy sponges. There you go. Not everyone deserves a job. I agree. No one deserves anything. Why does the world owe you a living? It doesn't. People are lazy. They are. They are lazy. I'm lazy. If I wasn't lazy, I would have gone for a 1 mile run before I started the work show this morning. Absolutely right. Pay people well and respect them, and they will work well. I don't think that's right, church. Having travelled 195 countries, I have seen people who earn pittance, people who earn hardly anything but work hard. Money doesn't drive you. If someone paid me, if every one of you today gave me a $100 super chat, would I work harder? No. I'm already live 10 hours a day. I already commit to what I'm doing for free for the first 10 months. That's it. Pay doesn't make you work harder. If you don't like the job, you don't like the job and you don't care. That's it. We only live once. Everyone should have a way to make money and have a place to live. We hope so, but I don't think the world owes you a living. Do you expect even more volatility until Friday because of these twins expiring? No, not at all. There'll be volatility in the market. There'll be dips, yep, but I'm happy to hold my position. Great work ethic, Martyn. Yep. If you don't like the job, build your own job. Make your own empire. Build your own company. I work for myself. One day I might employ one of you. I'm already thinking about it now, actually, that I could do more editing and marketing if I employed one of you. One of you might say, yeah, give me X amount a day and I will work for you. But I want you to work for me because you love this job, and I'll reward you the best way I can. But your reward will be because you love the job, and you focus on the job and growing it. I'll make more money. You will make more money. You don't go, well, I only want to work for you if you give me $1,000 an hour. It wouldn't make any sense. I only earn $10 a day. But you might believe in me and say, I know where you're going. I know where your business is going, so I'll work for nothing for now, or whatever you might do. Because you're focusing on the job, the money will take care of itself. It's what I've always said. Focus on everybody's needs, the money will take care of itself. I'm blessed. See, I don't like that phrase, you see. I don't like it. Because if I say I'm blessed, that means someone who's got a rubbish life isn't. And what gives me the right to say I'm blessed over you? Is there somebody here today that is maybe dying of cancer, got no money, got nowhere to live, they're on the street? Are they not blessed? I'm blessed. I'm blessed. No, I don't know. I don't deserve anything. Don't deserve a damn thing. I don't know about the US, but in the UK, there are generations of people living on benefits because it's the culture. They'll do anything to avoid earning a living. I agree with that. Blessed doesn't mean special. It means you're humble. I don't know. Yeah, but to say you're blessed means you're saying that you've been given something. You've been given a step up above others. Because if everyone's blessed, what's the point? If everybody's blessed, what's the point of that? That makes no difference, does it? If we're all blessed, what's the point? If you work hard for something, you deserve it. So, I don't know. I think if you start focusing on you deserve something, you miss the point. I just think you just shouldn't focus on it. Look. Okay, let's put it this way, right? Look at my studio, right? Look at what I've done here for my live music, right? My videos, my music videos, this is probably one of the best live streaming video channels on YouTube. I think most people agree, right? The lengths that I have got to produce my music is off the charts, right? Flipping special effects, moving lights, smoke, the quality, great, right? Most people would agree with that, right? There are people who get millions of views to sit on an out-of-tune piano, an out-of-tune guitar, sat on the edge of their bed singing a song badly. Millions and millions of views. They make loads and loads of money. I've never had a video do very well. 100 views, 200 views. I do everything right. I deserve it. I deserve it. Well, I don't know. I just think you get a bit arrogant if you think you deserve something or you're blessed. Is it fair? No. Is the world unfair? Yeah. There are people who make no effort at all to be successful, and they're successful. They get success doing nothing. They'll make a silly video sat on the toilet, make them 1 million views. Doesn't mean anything. I mean, at the end of the day, right, you're all members. You watch every day. That shows you that you love what we're doing here, right? So you get sometimes what you put in. Do I get it with 1 million people doing it? No. Do I deserve it? We can argue that, maybe. Put the effort in. Why don't I get it? Why does somebody get 1 million views for doing rubbish? It's frustrating, and I get upset sometimes thinking, bloody hell, I've made a really good video here, and I know people like it, but YouTube don't show it to many people. And do I deserve it? Probably. I don't know. The world forced us to have money, so the world owes people a way to make some money. That's a very interesting point. I'll give you that one. I like that one. I'm sorry, but where's the logic behind that, church? I thought it was quite good. The world forced us to have money, so the world owes people a way to make some money. It's quite a good thought, though. It's quite a good thought, though, isn't it? That's the problem. Everyone deserves something, new attitude, and will destroy hard workers. It's about having some pride in your work and yourself. If you have that, the money will come. 22, there you go. 100% agree with that. Expecting to be paid well first is back to front thinking. I am right with you, 22. I couldn't agree with you more. Money isn't the only motivating factor to get people to work. It's the main one, but isn't the only one, says Baron. I had my own company for 30 years. Mike, there you go. What do you make a year? The chosen one. What do you make a year? What do I make a year? Well, that's a funny question. You actually answered me that. I will gladly answer that for you. Let me get to the end of the questions and I will explain. I have a huge family, says Bill. Everyone deserves something. If you don't feel that way, how do you carry yourselves? You guys must grow up with people calling you crap and never loved you. No, my parents loved me. I don't feel like crap. I just don't think the world owes me anything. It's also about the person who's actually doing the job. It's a rubbish life and I'm blessed because I'm breathing and living. Yes. It's not a rubbish life. And I'm not blessed because I'm breathing. I'm breathing because me lungs, I'm a living organism. I'm breathing because my lungs go in and out until they don't. It's not a magical blessing that says I am blessed to breathe, so somebody else dies isn't. People are blessed in different ways, I think. Correct. Hi, says Kidakazi. Anyone? What's learning? What's going on? I'm trying to get through all the comments. We had a tornado. Had gone to shelter. I'm back now. No way. Queen is celebrating. She's not that far from me. Bloody hell! We got tornadoes coming. We had a tornado. Did it touch down? Oh my God. I don't disagree with all of you on some things, but money does matter. Yes, it does matter. We all need money. You're dead right. Equality opportunity is important, but that's different to equality of outcome. Bloody, you on the ground. Tornado on the ground near me. Dallas, Fort Worth. That's where Queen is. That's near me. Bloody hell. Tornado on the ground. Anyway. Tornado in Cornwall. There's no tornadoes in Cornwall. Get out of it. The church log is your life rubbish? And hang on. If your life is your life as rubbish as someone who lives on the street, lives in the middle of nowhere without food and water? There you go. Yeah, I've seen what real poor is. I'll tell you now the most horrific story, very briefly, what I ever saw, and then I'll answer someone's question. Someone said to me, "How much money do I earn?" Who was that? It was scrolling up. It was one in red. The chosen one. The chosen one. Come back into the chat and I'll answer your question right now. I will tell you what poor is. And I guarantee most of you have never seen this. What I'm about to tell you will upset some of you and, pose quite a strong image. But I will share it with you anyway. So, as the world piano man, I toured 37 years. I've toured the whole world, right? 195 countries. And I've seen the richest of the rich, the poorest of the poor. You want to know how poor can get? I will tell you how poor can get. And here it is. It was in Cairo. It was in Egypt, where rich Americans, rich British, rich Germans were getting off coaches to go and walk around the pyramids at Giza. Walk around the Sphinx and all that. Rich people on holiday, paying lots of money to go on holiday and all the rest of it. And I was there, a part of a cruise company. I was doing an excursion up the River Nile, whatever. And I saw beggars in the streets and I saw poor people right next to the millionaires, okay? And I saw, and I went to a part of town. I got on a train and I went out into the actual town itself and the villages, surrounding villages, and the rubbish piled up high that never got taken away, that would rot away. Rats, mice, robbers, prostitution. You can imagine. Filth, dirty water, pollution, every conceivable thing. And then I saw what poor really is. I saw a man on the street in a very bad state, begging for money. His body was rotting and broken, and his soul must have left him, and his feelings and his physical ability to feel must have left him, because what I saw shocked me, and I'll never forget it. He was sat on the side of the street, obviously begging, in a very bad state. He'd had an injury, a serious injury to his leg. Half his leg was missing, and it was bleeding. And a wild dog, was gnawing on his leg. That's as a dramatic a story as I could imagine sharing with you. And he wasn't even reacting. His soul had left him. He was alive. He was conscious. But he was obviously feeling... I can't even imagine how you turn the pain off. I was shocked. And there you go. A dog was gnawing on his open wound. A wild dog was literally feasting off this man, rotting on the side of the road. He was alive and he was begging at the same time. He wasn't dead. He was lying there. He was sitting there. That is poor. So when you're in that situation, you can call yourself poor. No, it isn't your fault that you're born in the United States. It's no one's fault. It's random. Random. You're either born with cancer or you ain't. You're born in a rich country or you ain't. You're born in a war zone or you ain't. Nothing to do with you. Doesn't make me blessed. Doesn't make me lucky. Doesn't make anything. It's just a random selection. I've seen a child in India whose parents cut her legs off so she'd earn more money as a beggar. There you go. That's exactly what we're talking about. Maybe that's what that was. Maybe that's what that was. They have that there in the United States. People just don't go anywhere. You have that in the United States as well. Well, I can't see that because you may have the poorest people on the streets in the United States, but there's still healthcare available for poor people. There is still some government handouts for poor people. There is still some food from the soup kitchens for poor people. There is still policing the streets, doing some element of policing, whereas in certain parts of the world there's zero. There's clean water for somebody who's homeless in New York. There's no clean water in the streets of Cairo for those people. Guess that guy doesn't deserve anything. No one deserves anything, I don't think. That doesn't mean to say you don't share compassion and support and love and help that person. Of course you do. Of course you do. Do they deserve me to come along, some rich Englishman and American, to zip him up? No, of course not. But you would, wouldn't you? Sky News, US scientists announced an unlimited clean fusion energy. Yeah, we've been talking about fusion for a while. Fusion is a great technology, indeed. Biden about to speak on inflation. That's burst the bubble. There's the word I was looking for. Compassion. Exactly. Compassion. You share love, support, compassion. Absolutely. Nothing to do with entitlement or any of those other words. It's all to just do with human beings being decent. That's all it is. Don't count the cost. Somebody asked me earlier. He never came back. How much I earned. So there's no point. I would have answered your question. The chosen one. I think you were the chosen one. You never came back. If you came back, I'd answer your question. But anyway, you're not here, so I can't answer your question. No point talking to nobody, is there? Anyone with good health is blessed. That's what I learned from pandemic. Kidakazi. I've got health at the moment, as long as I've got it, until I end, and I just think it's just I am. You know, I don't think I'm blessed, because if I'm blessed, that means someone living in Africa right now with diseases is not blessed. Doesn't it mean that? Doesn't it mean that? Doesn't it mean if I say I'm blessed because I'm healthy, does that mean someone who's not healthy isn't blessed? Does it mean that? Because if it means that, I can't say I'm blessed, because that sounds arrogant, that I'm somehow better than you because I'm blessed. You're not. You got nothing. I don't know. Anyway, I think most things in life is perspective. It can always be worse. Yeah, I asked yesterday how much you're losing. Seeing people suffering like that really gets me down. It's unfair. Yes, it does. Yes, it does to what? I'm blessed. Oh, the chosen one. There we go, the chosen one. Right, the chosen one asked me how much I earn. Right, well, you've just started watching this show, and you will know, if you watch my show, this is all the money I have in the world. In like 1 minute, I'm going to break it down, because everybody here has already heard it. But for your benefit, I will tell you. I left home at 16. I never got anything from anybody. I went straight to work. I built my own business. I've never worked for anybody. I've always worked for myself. Don't think I deserve anything. Don't think I'm entitled to anything. Never asked for anything. Lived on bread and water for a while in a caravan. I'm not joking. Bread and water. If I had no money, I didn't buy it, right? I built a business, worked for myself, and ended up growing a multi-million-dollar business with my theatre show, One Night in Vegas. Toured all over the world as the world piano man, made loads of money, and then all of a sudden, the credit crunch came. We called it a credit crunch in England. Overnight, nobody went to theatres. I had a lot of investment, a lot of debt to build my business, and I lost it all literally overnight. Now, I actually didn't need to go bankrupt. I declared myself bankrupt because I knew where I was going. I knew that I would never pay off the debts because the numbers at the theatres had dropped so dramatically. The interest rates I was paying on credit cards, because nobody would lend me any money, so I just bought it all on a credit card rather than just not do it. I knew I couldn't pay it. I asked the banks, would you lower your interest rates? They said, your credit is perfect. You've never missed a payment. You've got the best credit rating in the world. Unlimited credit cards. You pay them all off every month. I said, yeah, but I'm just managing my credit. Well, that's all you need. I said, well, that's ridiculous. I'll never be out of debt. Well, as long as you don't miss a payment, we can't help you. So I never missed a payment. And then I realized this was stupid. I would remain in debt for the rest of my life. So the money I owed would never be paid off with the earnings I was now earning in theatres. So I decided to declare myself bankrupt. So they took everything off me, lost everything, lost my house, lost everything. I went to zero, and it was the best lesson I ever learned. I was never in debt ever again after that. And then I continued touring. I had all my gigs all around the world. I'm a person that used to play in theatres and $30,000, $40,000, $50,000. Big theatre shows, big orchestras. Brilliant, right? Lost all that money. That all went, right? But doesn't matter. I had a wonderful life, right? Then I started touring in America doing my shows. And then, of course, COVID hit and it wiped out my entire business. All my gigs got cancelled, and here we go again. So I thought, right, sod it. I'm 53 years of age. My back's now not very good from traveling. I got 6 bulging discs. I can't carry equipment anymore because I used to drive the trucks, the lorries, carry the gear, part of the old thing. Couldn't do that anymore, so I decided, right, let's go online. Everyone was going online during COVID, and they were doing it badly. They were sat in their bedrooms on their guitar, strumming away, getting millions of views because everyone seems to like when you're rubbish. I don't know why it is. They just do. I thought, I can't do it. That would bore me. So I built this TV studio. I said, right, if I'm going to go online, I'm going to have the best TV studio on YouTube. This is a full TV studio, moving lights, dry ice, smoke. If you've watched my show, you'll know that I have all the smoke comes down and all the lights move and everything. And I said, right. So I went live on YouTube, started going live on YouTube, doing an investment channel, which supports my music channel. Okay, because people don't search unless you're famous. They don't search for Martyn Lucas, the music man. They search for how to get rich. How to do Bitcoin, how to buy stocks and shares. They search for that. So I thought, right, this is the highest paid YouTube channel you can do. So I can do this, and then I will add music to it to support everybody and bring a community together, because people were lost and people had no direction and everyone's lying. And I thought, right, what a great way to make a community. From the pool of rubbish, from the liars and the scammers, this is where I belong. This is where I belong because you can do more help here. And I will add my music to it. People will follow me, and maybe one day I'll have a great channel. So day one, I sat here and I talked for 10 hours to nobody. I think Bill joined in first. Bill sat there and watched me. And then I got my first super chat. And then we went on, and then I put all my money I had, $5,000, in the stock market. Right at the top of COVID. The worst time in the history to buy stocks and shares. And I've been going down ever since. And I learned how it worked, and I've survived, and I've grown my portfolio somehow. And then 10 months later, I started to earn $10 a day on YouTube. I worked for 10 months for free. And knowing that I used to earn 10, 20 grand a night, I was prepared to sit here 10 hours a day, work and work and work and work and work, live on nothing, just sit here. Do this. And eventually it got to work, and now I have 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we have 31,000 followers on TikTok. I earn about 10, 12, maybe $12 a day now. It's going up a little bit. $12 a day on YouTube. Everyone's a member. When I got margin called, I was in tears because everyone gave me super chats. That was the best day. I think I made about $300 that day. It was brilliant. It was brilliant. But the payment I receive from you and the audience is by far the biggest payment of my life. And people have asked me now to go back doing gigs. And I'm doing a Saturday night gig locally. Every Saturday night I do a gig. And that was really great. And I'm enjoying it. But I enjoy this more. I enjoy this more because when I play in a piano bar, the quality of my sound and lights and equipment isn't as good as this. This is better here. So I enjoy my sound better. People say, well, don't you miss the people? No, because I talk to you. You're real. I know you're really sat there. And a lot of people watch me on their big screen TVs when I sing my songs and my premieres. And it's a great feeling to be your own boss. Nothing can really stop me from doing it now. It's me doing what I want to do, and all I've got to do is keep doing it. It keeps growing. More members join, more people join. And what's wonderful is in a year or 2 years, I'll have 100,000 subscribers. I can raise tens of millions for charities. I can share my words and what I believe in. I can share all of your words and what you believe in. And all of my members, you're all going to gain subscribers to your YouTube channels. You're all going to make money because we all see the truth. No one lies and makes up stuff. So that's basically, that's it. For real, only $12 a day. Yeah, for real. For real. If I was allowed to share my analytics of my payments, I would. But YouTube say you're not allowed to share that. I don't know why. I would. Absolutely would. Now, some YouTubers have done it and you get in trouble for doing it. So I'm not going to do it. Right. I earn about $2, $3 a video. That's it. By going live. Every time I run an ad, every 15, 20 minutes, I earn 1 cent per person. If you see the ad. If you don't see the ad because you're on a mobile or an ad blocker or whatever, I don't see it. For real, that is absolutely right. But I'm investing in myself. The biggest investment is myself, and I'm investing in myself, and I know where my channel is going. And that's why 95% of my viewers, bigger than any other channel on YouTube, are members, because they support the channel. They like to support the channel. And that's it. And that's, eventually I'll have 100,000 people as members. And that's how it works. So yeah, for real. When I make a video, the highest video I made was, I think it did 2,000 views. I made $12. I make money from videos, but $12 was I think $12, $13, maybe $14. That's the highest money I've ever made on a video. So, but to focus on the money is missing the point. If I just made videos and didn't build a community, maybe I'd make more money, but I wouldn't have the following. I wouldn't have the family. I wouldn't have the whole point and the energy of doing this. So that's why I do live videos. That's why I'm live 10 hours a day, because I think that's what sets my channel above others, that we have a community. And it's not all me. I'm 1% of the plan. I'm just the guy who turns the camera on and provides the system. You guys, oh my gosh, we've got a tornado warning. We've got a tornado siren. We've actually got, Queen of Self-Braiding said she had a tornado on the ground, and we have got a tornado siren gone off. That means tornadoes are in our area. I'm not joking. Now we have backup power. We're going in the locker room. Have you checked the news? Right, it looks like we're going into our shelter. Tornadoes are on the ground. I will keep this live because I have backup power, backup internet. If the power goes out, which it might, I can hear some noise outside as well, so it's a little bit unnervy, okay? If the power goes out, I will transfer to backup power. Okay? We have backup internet as well. Yes, I'm in America, and we've got tornadoes on the ground in this area. Okay, so, and I can hear some rumbling as well. Okay, guys, I'm going to remain. I'm going to go and check with my wife, check what's going on, and leave this running. Stay with me, and I'm going to end it on TikTok so I can communicate with you from my phone. So everyone on TikTok, if you want to join me, I'll be on YouTube. The Queen of Self-Braiding says take shelter. Right. Okay, so I'm going now into my shelter. I'm going to leave you online. Okay, so I'm going now into my shelter. So I'm going to talk to you on here. I'm going to leave you on it. Okay. I will be back as soon as the tornadoes are passed. Okay? Okay, I'm back with you. The worst has passed. There's still storms in the area, but it's moving over us right now to the right of where we are. So we're in an okay position right now. So let me end this stream. I was watching it on my phone so I could talk to you. And yes, well, we've been watching. Well, you've been watching. Thank you so much for staying with me. A lot going on, of course. We've seen photographs because I've been able to use my backup power. Everything's running on backup power because the power is out here, and that will come on soon, and everything will be fine again. Start charging up the batteries. But anyway, let's have a little look. 22. Thank you for staying with me. I appreciate it. We can still hear the rumblings, but the tornadoes are not on the ground anymore, so it's moved to the right of us at the moment. Tesla. I've got orders to buy Tesla at 160. It's at 162 right now. Backup power stonks. Yes, it's working. It's battery backup. That's what I'm actually using. But anyway, we're all good. Mr. Cossack, thank you ever so much, everyone. Tesla went down 163. Try to buy another one at 160. Let me share on the screen. I'm on the wrong screen. There we go. 163. Very close to my my buy point. I might just nip one in there. There we go. Just bought one at 163.14. There's my latest one. 167, 163. I've got buys at 160, so we're getting it down, and then as it starts to rise, which it will in January, I'll be able to trim some of this off. It's 9% of my portfolio, so I will be able to trim some off. Just nipped in with one there. Let's see if we can lower that average. Got 54 shares now. The overall portfolio is coming up again. Zimmer TH, my wife is in a Little Elm and she is safe. My wife is in Little Elm. Is she safe? She's asleep. Where's Little Elm? Is that near Dallas? Where I'm in between Dallas. Is that where we are? Where she is? Zimmer THFC. Anyway, it's starting to come up now. Let's have a little look. Does Tesla starting to come up? Yep. Looked quite good there. Managed to just get that bottom dip there. Got a buy for 160 as well. That's scary there for a time. Glad you're safe now. Thank you, Stephen Lewandowski. I appreciate it, mate. In Dallas. That's where Little Elm is. Okay, thanks, Queen. There we go. Tesla's coming up. I just bought another share of Tesla, 162, 163, whatever it was. Okay. Now then, you've been sitting watching this for ages. I need to run a commercial break because you've all, apart from Mark, no super chats. Tornado entertainment here, folks. You was expecting Wizard of Oz, right? All you'd have got is a blank screen. But anyway, no, only one super chat. What do I need to do? I've lived through a backup power, living through a tornado. Right, so for that, you're all going to be punished, and I'm going to go to a commercial break. And you are all going to watch the commercial break. Oh, and Martin, what's the name again? And Martin, what's my name again? Oh, Mark Corn. Sorry, Mark. Did I say Mike? I apologise, Mark Corn. You will come up at the end in the credits. You know it. Your studio has been in shape all the while. Yes, everything's been great. The backup power works really well. Anyway, good. So here we go. Quick commercial break. See you back. Punish us, Senpai. Here we go. All right. I'm back again now. Just running a quick commercial break. All right. So there we go. Managed to get another share of Tesla, 163, just one. Low on that average all the time. Might start trimming off some of those lower stocks because we're 9% now. Still not much. Getting to like 15%, then I'll start trimming it off. But that's okay. 9% is all right because the value's low. When the value starts going up, then it will soon become 15%, and then I can start trimming it off. Anything above that is a bit too much. Okay, glad you're safe, mate. If you flew off, I'd have to buy Netflix again. Yeah, that's right. That's right. It's Marcus Cornhole. Marcus Cornhole. Do I know you, Marcus? Because you're saying it's Marcus Cornhole. Do I know you? Anyway, lovely to have you here. Let's see all the comments I got here. It's Marcus Cornhole. How are you? Anyway, if you've just tuned in, click subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up, let us know you're here. That would be absolutely awesome. And smash the like button as well. We are still trading. We're still investing. Lovely to have you here. Glad you're safe, mate. Thank you very much indeed. Musk gave 5.7 billion gift to his own charity. Musk gave 5.7 billion to his own charity. What do you mean by that? Wow, Marcus Cornhole's here. I like that. It's Marcus Cornhole. That's funny. Wow, Marcus Cornhole's here. I tell you what, he's getting a lot of attention now, whoever he is. But anyway, Martin, Zim is Robert. Martin, Zim is Robert. He's my brother from another mother. He calls me Marcus. Kickback. What's going on here? Martin, Zim is Robert. He's my brother from another mother. He calls me Marcus. Okay. So hang on a minute. Marcus Cornell. It's Marcus Cornell. Oh, Cornell. I see. Oh, I see. It's his brother. Hello. How are you? I was like, what's going on? Now I get it. Marcus Cornhole. Corn. Okay, now I'm getting it now. Is your real name Mark Cornhole then? Is it not actually Corn? It's Mark Cornhole. Bloody hell. We're learning stuff here today. We're learning stuff. This is most confusing. We're all confused. I know. I brought him over to the channel. You brought him over to the channel. All right. Well, why is he not a member then? Why is he not a member? Is he just like sponging off your membership, is he? Right. The S&P is coming back up again now. We had a bit of a drop there for the moment. When I went off air, didn't go off air, did I? Didn't go off air even during a tornado. I went to the shelter. Even during that, the portfolio went down. Right? And then I came back and it said, hang on a minute, Martyn Lucas is back. We need to get going again. So here it is, going back up again. He donated to his own charitable arm. Is that bad? I need to understand exactly. He's donated to his own charity. I mean, I'm not really sure of the context of that. No, Mark Corn's my real name. People call me Marcus though. Oh, I see. Fair enough. Now we're getting it. All right. Let's have a look at our Bitcoin, see what that's done today. These are all the global markets. You can see New Zealand ended up 0.83. Australia ended up 0.31. Nikkei ended up 0.13. Hang Seng was 0.68. The DAX in Germany up 1.84. The FTSE up 1%. The Dow up 0.82, Nasdaq up 1.55, New York Stock Exchange up 1%, and the SPY is up 1.63. There we go, and we're starting to rally a bit more. I was going to show you my Bitcoin, which is now moved to my ledger, which is right here, 644,655. There you go, and we're up 5% today. We are up on the week 5%. The month, I've not had it a month yet, but we're up 5%. There you go. Very, very good indeed. DAX is lower already. It's going down. It's still at 1.92. Anyway, I'd rather your portfolio take off than your roof. Oh, yeah. Yeah. The markets got nervous because the main investor was gone. That's right. That is right. Look at that. We're putting that on the screen. The markets got nervous because the main investor was gone. That's right. Hang on a minute. The main investor, Martyn Lucas Investor, was gone. Marcus Cornhole, there he is. Zimmer, THFC. How are you, Zimmer? Ethereum had an upgrade. The upgrade was months ago. It made no difference whatsoever. It had no difference at all. And I said that as well. Everyone got excited by the technological advances of Ethereum, and that only matters to the people that actually invent it, who play around with it. They love all that, but the actual daily investor couldn't care less about the technology. All they want to know is, I'm buying an asset that's going to go up in value. That's it. No more. That's all. And the reality is, general public don't care. I won't give him a membership. He doesn't day trade. Yeah, but Mark, we're not just about day trading, are we? We're about family. We're about support. We're about community. We're about music, entertainment. What are you talking about? What are you saying? What are you saying? Right, okay. Some information here, folks, I want to share with you right now is, because everyone's watching, everyone's paying attention. Tonight, it's the world premiere. We had 14 likes a couple of nights ago. We had 17 likes before the show last night. Tonight, we need to beat 17 likes. Here is the song for tonight. It's on 7 likes. We need 11 likes right now. This is the world premiere tonight. I'm doing Elton John tonight. There it is. I put it 3 times in the chat. Go and leave a like right now. And I mean right now. Right now. Leave a like and join me for the after hours show tonight. And we need to get this moving. Come on. Here we go. Let's see it. It's on 6 likes. It's going bloody backwards. Right? You can go into the live chat, and you can leave a little chat there, look. And 7 likes. Okay, we're moving. And then leave a comment below the video. Look, here. We've got 8 comments so far. Newest first. Let me have a little look. Church of Logic. Time for some good music. Thank you, Churchy. Andrew Grady. Bill. Mike. That's it. Right, last night was 17 likes before the event happened. Right, it's live in 5 hours on my music channel. All right, we got 7 likes. What's going on? All right, I'll gift him. How do I do it? Mark Corn's gonna gift him a membership. Well, what you do, you go into the $sign under the video. Can you see it? And you can click gifting, membership gifting. All right. I can't believe we're on bloody 7. What's going on here? Right. So I'll show you how to do it. Look, see, you can zoom in here. You can click the $sign. Look, membership gifting. But just note that it will give it to the person who's not, it will give it to anybody who's not a member in the chat, if they're not a member in the chat, but it will give it to the person who's most engaging in the chat. So if your brother, Zimmer, is the only person that's not a member in the chat, they will get it. If there's 2 or 3 people in the chat, but they are the ones talking the most, they will get it. Okay? But it's not a guaranteed thing. It's not a guaranteed thing that your brother's going to get it. Depends if he's been engaging or not. All right? It might go to somebody else who's engaged more. There we go, 11. We've got to get 18. We've got to get 18 because the record was 17. It's the world premiere of my music tonight. And tomorrow we start Christmas songs. Are you excited? Christmas songs tomorrow. I've only got super chat or super sticker. Oh, have you? Oh. Don't know why that then. Other people have done it. Yeah, you should have membership gifting. I don't know why. It depends. It might depend on the device that you're on. You might. Oh, we've got 12 likes now. 12. 17 was the record. We need to beat 70. I hope we do it. We've gone up every single night. I guess you can't go up every single night, can you? I guess you can't go up every night. Why is the stock market crashing? Well, hang on a minute. I'm already up. When we rallied a few weeks ago, we went up 20%. We pulled back about 15. I'm up 5%. That's how it goes. Today, went up 10%. It came back 7. I'm still up 3.5%. So I'm now up 8%. That's great. Everybody expected to go up forever and down forever. It's slowly going up. It's okay. And the main reason, however, is tomorrow everybody wants to know what the Fed are going to do. With Jerome, with the CPI coming down, Jerome Powell knows for a fact that inflation's coming down. It's going to be 0.5%. If he goes 0.25, then my gosh, the markets are going to rally. Remember, we priced this in. We priced this in. We thought that it would be 0.5% tomorrow, and it's already priced in. We've had an 8% rise over the last few weeks. That's great overall. Even though it went up and back down, 8% is good. So we're all good. This is all good. And we're expecting, we're going to get Jerome Powell tomorrow to speak. Now, if he says 0.25% rate hike, wow, we're going to be, then we're going to really take off. That's why it's muted. Even though I'm up 3.5%, I'll take that all day long. That's a great rally. And just to give that into context, we're up on the day. We are just down 1.28 on the week. We're down over the overall month, but just down 4%. But we're up over 2 months. That's what's important. If we look on the 3 months, look, we're actually up over 2 months. We are moving in the right direction. So the overall portfolio, I'm still down, but we're starting to break up. All right, so you got to have patience. Tomorrow is the result of what happens today. I think we're going to pull back up later on. We will, no doubt about it. It presents opportunity, those for you that are brave, though. Tesla is the issue. Tesla being one of the biggest companies in the world and having a really big part, not only for investors who invest in it, but the S&P 500 is being brought down by Tesla. If Tesla was behaving itself, and this is because of Elon Musk constantly selling his shares to fix Twitter, the fundamentals for Tesla are still good. This can still keep going down, but I'm nudging it. I'm nipping away at it because we don't know how low it's going to go. I just bought 163. Maybe it's going to 160 in a minute. It's not going to keep going down. So anyway, it's going to get too attractive soon. ETORO says, according to the CME FedWatch tool, there's 20.6% chance of a 70 basis points. Yeah, 20% chance, probably 80% chance at 0.5, or maybe 75%, and maybe a 5% chance of a 0.25. Whole market is up and the stock market's still going down. The whole market is up and the stock is still going down. I know Tesla is a worry. It is a worry, but I believe in the stock, though. I believe in the company. Yes, I am losing money. And I just keep nudging away at it. Now, Ali Tisro says it's going down to 110. Maybe he's right. Maybe he's right. He's not. I'm just checking if he's in the chat today. He's not in the chat today. Let me open up the broadcast lounge, so any of our YouTube members can call in. So a little moment for you right now. If anybody has become a member on YouTube that would like me to upgrade them on Discord, now is the time to do it. So let me give look at Lucid. Yep, I've got a buy at $8. Tesla, the EV sector, is bringing everything down. Yep, 8.15. Yep, I've got a buy at $8. Unfortunately, it's the way it goes, but you got to look. The overall portfolio is up. The S&P 500 is up 1.4%. Virgin Galactic is up 1%. Virgin Orbit's up. Let's skip to even Arrival's up. Amazon's up 3.5%. Apple's up 2.25%. Overall, we're doing well. Upgrade them now, not 5 minutes before the bell. Upgrade them now, not 5 minutes before the bell. What do you mean, Andrew? Upgrade, what do you mean? Coca-Cola's up 0.5%. J&J is up 1%. See? Oh, let me look at Google, up 4.4. Google is the reflection of what the businesses are going to do. The Discorders are. Oh, yeah, right. The Discorders. Right, so if you are a YouTube, if you want Discord for free, here is Discord. If you want me to upgrade you, if you are a YouTube member, I can upgrade you now. So let me give you the Discord link here. If you want to join us on Discord, we've now got, how many members have we got now? 415. 500, we release new products and services. At 500, you can do more. So we're very excited. And then the next level is 1,000. After that, then we become a public channel, a discoverable channel. So we're getting really starting to grow. All right. If you want to follow me on Twitter as well, here is my Twitter feed. And if you go and retweet the pinned post today, you'll be in double cash prizes for for Friday. Excuse me. Okay, so Google's up 4.5. Microsoft is also up 3%. It's just Tesla letting me down right now. SoFi, IonQ, Walmart, Target, Tesco. Not quite at my target yet. I've made no real money on it yet, so there's not hardly any point. Canoe, 1.95, still down 38%. I've got a very small position there. Tilray, up 3.25. 6% overall, so that's going back up again. Enphase Energy, Bitcoin SV is up 2.31. And Bitcoin is up 3.3 and Ethereum is up 4%. Okay, let's see if we've got our likes yet on our video tonight. 14. This is our music world premiere tonight. Elton John tonight. It's a little community. Everyone joins me every night for my world premiere music. And hopefully you'll join me. Hopefully we'll get more than 17 likes. That's the record set last night before the event. Let's hope so. We've got 14 right now. Go and like it right now if you can and come straight back. Okay. Okay, I think we're going to end the show, do day trader of the day. I'm doing well with my veil today. Got more buy orders at 14. Congratulations. Tesla's trying to push up. I'm having a quick look. It's trying to come back up. I just bought some more. I bought one more 162. Rivian started out today and a great pump. Look, went up 6.5% and it's down. Massive swing today. Rivian, the old EV space. This is what shows me it's not Tesla. It just shows me the overall EV space is down. Elon Musk is making Tesla go down on purpose. Yeah, remember, it's very important to note that Elon Musk sold Tesla to pay for his Twitter, all right, debacle, and he wants to get back in because he wants to buy back Tesla, right? So by selling all the shares, and you are the main shareholder, it drives the share price down. He can buy it back. And he's going to buy back. We're going to have buybacks, and this is all good long term. If you're a short-term investor, you don't like this. You think Tesla going down is bad. If you believe in Tesla and you believe in the company like I do, then having the stock price go down is great. Great for me. I mean, I just bought Tesla at old money. Remember, it got to $1,200 a share. Okay? The company's over $1 trillion. Remember that? Right. Well, right now it's $480 $490 old money. $490 old money. Think of it when it was $1,200. It's now $490. Right? It's less than half price of where it was just like 8 months ago. Was it overpriced at $1,200? Of course it was. That was insane. But however, it is. You should never look back. But nevertheless, Tesla is getting cheaper and cheaper every day. And eventually, the company will continue to grow and it will grow into its stock price. It's now at 55. This is very important. It was up to 80 at one point. 89, I think it was. 55 price earnings ratio. 55. It's still high. It's still expensive. But there you go. It gives you an idea. 52-week high, 402. See what I mean? It can double to 300 quite easily when we get a good earnings report, which we will. So short term, you won't like it, but long term, it's great. Hello, Mexicans. Gotta go. Pick the kids up. Catch you tonight. Okay, let's do day trader of the day. You missed out then, Andrew. We're going to do it now, and we're going to close the show. Twitter is making no money right now. No, that's because of people. The advertisers are leaving. They alluded that they'd buy back in January, February at the last earnings. That's what they alluded to. Could be a ruse. I get it. Anyway, I just bought Lucid at 10. You bought 10,000 shares of Lucid. You just bought 10,000 shares of Lucid. Oh my God. Wow. Mohammed Karhine. Wow. Look at that. 10,000 shares of Lucid. Why didn't it go up? You got to buy millions, right? Someone please tell me why Tesla split. I didn't even know that was a thing. Neptunian. The reason why they split, very, very simple. There are two things, a forward split and a reverse split. Hang on a minute, you're not a member. Why am I can't spend all this time explaining all this for you. You've got to be a member. Hang on a minute. I just realised then I was going to go into my whole reverse split, stock split, and spend 10 minutes talking to you. Hang on a minute. When are you going to become a member of our channel? There you go. There is the invitation to join. $2 a month, and I will spend the next 10 minutes explaining what reverse splits is and forward splits is and what the point is and so on and so forth. All right. Hang on a minute. If I'm going to go into detail, Mohammed, how many shares do you buy? Bought of Lucy? I'm not sure what that Flames is saying there. 10,300. Wow. Right. Laugh. Yeah. Flames is going. Yeah. Right. Same with you, Flames. Same with you, Flames. You need to be a member as well. 95% of our live viewers are members. What's going on here? Ooh. I just bought 1,000. I'm going to buy Lucid at 8. I'm already in at 12.31. I'm buying more Lucid at 8. So there. Stick that in your pipe and smoke it. Lucid, I've got to buy at 25. Flipping heck. These EVs are really going down, aren't they? Virgin Galactic, 480. It was up today so much and it's losing a bit. But anyway, never mind. We got the earnings report tomorrow. So let's end the show right now. Let's bring everybody up to date. I got Tesla about to buy at 160. I got a Lucid about to buy at 8. All the EV space is selling off right now, despite everything looking great. S. Huss has become a bronze member. S. Huss has just become a bronze member, so I'm now going to give you all your perks and benefits. So first of all, would we please welcome S. Huss into the channel? Would everyone put their cities and countries? S. Huss, put your city and country in as well. Let's recognize you. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. Love it. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you. Cheers, mate. Thanks ever so much indeed for doing that. We appreciate you a lot. Right. Now then, you get many, many perks and benefits. First of all, you have a badge, blue, green, yellow, gold, and then red on our show. You can ask me to do a poll, and I'll do a poll for you if you want me to do a poll live in the show. If you want me to review a stock, I can review a stock. If you want me to answer your questions, I will. If you leave comments on my YouTube channel, I will reply to all your comments and answer all your questions. If you follow me on social media, I will follow you back on all of your social media. I will tag you in my viral posts. If you're a YouTuber and you're a silver member, I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. You can always upgrade if you want to for 1 month, whatever. If you become a gold member, you can get 2 hours of Zoom calls a month of me helping you build your YouTube channel and build a studio if you want to do that. Also, you can now get upgraded on Discord. Here is the Discord link for you. If you're not already on Discord, get on Discord now. It will take you 10 minutes to get through, and I'll wait for you before I go. I will upgrade you live on the show. It takes 10 minutes. I don't know if you're already on Discord. Please go into Discord. Let me share with you on the screen. Here is Discord. This is it. Once I've upgraded you, you will see these channels. You don't see them at the moment because you're not a YouTube member. You're getting a welcome now from one of our members, Stephen from Florida. Go into the welcome all page and say hello, and I will see you appear here. This is the welcome all, and I will upgrade your account live on the show. It's not automatic. I do it manually for you. Let me give you the Discord link again. If you want Discord, you then get all the top tips. You get Ed Nevis' tips, Ali Tisro's tips, Muzanella's tips, and you also get my tips at the top if you want to be a subscriber and see what I trade before I trade and before I sell off air. There is my server subscription. Okay. All right. Let me go back down to the welcome all and wait for you to come in here. You can also get our newsletter, which does our cash prize giveaway every Friday as well. Here, that's free for everyone. You don't need to be a member for that. And also you get member-exclusive videos, member-only chats. And if you look below the homepage of the YouTube channel, you will see there are member-only videos. Look, and you can now go and see all these members-only videos. You couldn't see them before. These are behind the scenes, the private parties that we had, hello from the UK, all these things you can't see non-members, but you can as a member. All right, there you go. Many, many perks. Plus, we'll celebrate your birthday on your birthday for you and your family the day before, the day after, or the day of your birthday. Let us know when it's your birthday, and we'll celebrate your birthday. All right, there you go. Excellent. I'll wait for you to come into Discord. We'll do day trader of the day. If you don't come in the next 10 minutes, I will do it tonight or the next time that you set it up. But right now, though, it's day trader of the day. Let's do day trader of the day. My position is down. I'm up. Beg your pardon. I'm up 3.28%. There's my position. Once the first person starts to post, I will share and see who is the winner today. It's going back up again. Oh, I'm going to upgrade that. I'm up 3.42. 3.42%. We're heading up now. Hang on, 3.48. It's going back up again. I'm sure it will. There you go, 3.48. Okay, here we go. All right, 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. And we've got Stephen Lewandowski from Florida, who is up 2.1% today. Fantastic. 3.48. That's the score to beat. Stephen Lewandowski is 2.1. Anybody else? Oh, Churchy has absolutely smashed it. You should be so happy, Church. What's going on with you? You're making so much money. What's going on? Up 7.45%. Absolutely fantastic. Well done to you. Well done to you. Anybody beat that? Queen is up 3.15. Wow, Church. Yeah, I think he's going to win at that. Let me end the timer as we come to the end. Last few seconds to go. And let's have a little look. It looks like going all to rent soon. Well, that's good. You're covering the bills. That's all that counts. There you go. Congratulations to you. Time is up. Let's go and give Churchy a great round of applause. Fantastic. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. And here come the sound effects. Oh, yeah. Absolutely awesome. Congratulations, Church. Really, really good. Palantir in prisons. He's still in his prisons. There you go. Fantastic. All right. Well, we're going to wrap up the show. I'm now up 3.8. It's going back up again. No surprise. We had the profit taking. Now we've got the buying. Has the bull market started? Is it the end of the bear market? Well, I think it is. I don't think the bull market has started, but I think it's the end of the bear market. I think the bears are getting tired of all this now, and we're going to start going up. My portfolio is going to start going up. Anyway, there's the overall situation. The S&P is coming up again. Virgin Galactic is coming up again. Virgin Orbit is up at the moment. Tesla, I just bought 163. It's still not going up though, despite everything, right? So it isn't good. The whole EV space is selling off. Lucid, I've got orders to buy at 8. Marcus Corner, where you at? Where you at? Says Zimmer. All right. Thanks, guys. Right, that's it. We're going to get off. I just need someone to say roll the credits. So, one last time, join me tonight for the last of the music premieres before we go over to the Christmas songs. Here is one more time. We need 17 likes on this video. Right now, we had the record was set last night at 17. We got 14. Hopefully, 3 more of you can like the video. I've just posted it in the chat. We started with 17 last night. We ended up with more, but the night before was 14. Last night was 17. Let's see if we can get 17. Roll them. I don't think we're going to get to 17. If you can, go on. Let's see if we can do it. We've got 60 likes in today's show. Absolutely fantastic. I think that's one of our best ever days. 60 likes in our show. Let me have a look. There's 30 of you watching right now. Average watch time, 24 minutes. That's phenomenal. 285 people have come through our show today. Absolutely awesome. Where am I seeing that information? I'm seeing it right here. There we go. 285 people came through the show. Absolutely great. And what about our subscribers? 5793. And we lost one. That's perfectly okay. That happens all the time. There we go. 61 likes. Absolutely brilliant. 61 people like the video. There you go. All right, that's it from me. I will see you back for the closing bell. If you've not yet checked out the new videos that were posted yesterday, remember, if you look on your homepage of the channel and you go down to the members the videos here, if it hasn't got a red line underneath it, you haven't watched it. All right, so go and check out Elon Musk. Elon Musk to go. I think Elon Musk is going to go from Tesla as the CEO. What do you think? I did a clown picture there of Elon Musk. What do you think? Is Elon Musk going to be around as a CEO? Let me know what you think. Leave your comments below that video. I don't think the way he's behaving is appropriate, and I've used some examples there. Plus, we got the Lucid rumor. How about this one? Space competition. Have you seen the space competition? They've now got Virgin Galactic now has a competition with Worldview going into space with a giant balloon. Remember, though, they're not going into space. They can't. Otherwise, the balloon would fly away. Go and check that one out. All right. There you go. Check out the new videos. And there you go. And our new members today, make sure that you go and look at your members-only videos, behind the scenes and special private parties. Look, I'm even wearing a fisherman's cap down in Cornwall in England when we had our private party. Anyway, hopefully you'll enjoy all of that. That's it from me. Thank you so much indeed. It's time to roll the credits. Let's roll the credits. See you back for the closing bell later on. Click that button there. Go over to the music. Cue the music. And let's see who took part in today's show. So, we had a couple of super chats today. And we got some new members as well, and some subscribers. Let's take a closer look at what we had today. So the stars of our show today were Mark Korn, gave me a super chat when I was in my tornado shelter, as did Mike. So thank you very much indeed for your support for that. Really appreciate it. What else do we have? We have some more subscriptions. Crito, Dummett and Silvio, and remember, those are only the open subscribers. If you don't share your subscribers, it's a setting you can have on YouTube. If you don't share your subscriptions, it doesn't show in analytics like this. And we got a new member. S Huss became a member today. If you didn't get your newsletter yet, I'm going to give it to you now. We do a cash prize giveaway every Friday. Here is the email. Here's the link you need. Click on this. It'll take you to the newsletter link. All my links are below. All my free stocks are below. If you click on that, then you can get the newsletter. And don't forget, then check your junk folder, because it always goes in your junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw. The newsletter email you're looking for, which will go, once you verify, will go into your junk folder, is the day trader at martynlucas.com. Whitelist that so you receive it, and then every Sunday 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, you will get your newsletter. Okie dokie. And that's it. We are done. Look forward to getting your newsletter on Sunday. Otherwise, I'm out. I'm back this afternoon for the closing bell. Join me for the closing bell this afternoon. And then, of course, we're going to go into our world premiere. Now, tomorrow, we are back with a very exciting show like today. Tomorrow is even bigger than today. Tomorrow, we have Jerome Powell speaking. That's the Fed report tomorrow. And we're expecting a 0.5. If we get 0.25, oh my gosh. What's important, though, is how he speaks after the meeting. If he then indicates that 0.5, we're going to start seeing less of rates and rates coming down next month and the month after, that will drive the stock price up. And between now and then, take care of yourselves and each other.